Ya babu nyina wache Emma Kwaba Efamra Badwam so Adom TV brewedu se anopoye ni Badwam kase ebeso wona nsomede eba nia edi mu akotene bi enesem donkuma yo ma hye film ababote be cassette yakoya National Security Afaso ye ondwuma ewo omaye emu sanso na IGM na fe social welfare penfo so ahase eye nkyerɛkyerɛ ede mankwada ye formu ekɔ amanfo ma so koye edwumaden we ni samudo bi na pai esi kunya ede esomo ese Badwam kase bedin de akwasi ensi afa nsɛm no kyerɛmu enie donkuma ye wo man Ghana mra hye Badwam film ababote yakasa de afa kwane a National Security ye oman ba mogwugo kese efa so yomonwuma eho ne nyina ene se kwan ya sa National Security mpanifoi efa so bo ediwura enkane amrado ede mo oman Ghana kakra bia ba tan kese fie ekobo se adani a oye hwemu bi ede afa kwan ya papa ne fa so di djuma abra Ghana ba ma ne tumi eso meso oman uye ne so eto nchen a Ghana nsɛmtwerɛni okatachi Kwame Afrifa ekwan ya National Security fo ya efa so twa no kwantemfi eso de pechi ko makache no omo kyerɛ mu a entwa yie.
This is the first time in the history of our country that a governor of a central bank is being subjected to such a treatment. Unfortunately for the governor, some 10,000 cedis on his bed could not be found. So some of these hungry party foot soldiers that they use, who parade themselves as national security operatives, are after all perhaps not even being paid, and they use this opportunity to steal.
Osan editor Mampeni John Dramani Mahama nim saone eye national security foi enkasa.
We call on government to quickly bring a stop to these dastardly acts. These acts of intimidation and terror are relics of the past. They have no place in our democracy. Soon it could lead to some self-protection mechanisms from citizens and people whose lives and property feel threatened. We are a nation of laws.
International Justice Mission and Department of Social Welfare yo mo man Ghana mu akabom amankofra bia amanfo fom no muko amanfo kroso ekoye adwumaden si yaje mu nyina abafie ne south wa enkyekere ade amomo krom so betimi afa so akasa sene bia amanfo ni bedawo na sa nipa bonefo bi nso amfa omunomu
ade a ye make sure say afibia no hia GSN members, Ghana Survivor Network members, no. Omu nyina beba be share no. Omu from different communities. Into omu be share, we have what we call information sharing and knowledge sharing. Into near kosu or mantem fufro, any mantem fufro share, then they cross learn from each other. The other one is said they are also interacting with much more experienced people than themselves, like staff of IJM.
And which you know, homophobia or they won't so any chair. And Emma who do I want more FM, any senior workshop ye ever benam so at the abua one more.
And you are not see a dorsum. Talk about them na Nankasania or by there. Say, Daman is the unknown day. On family man, Menquatan in China, Niniano so, or eat more. Joe Waf. Be a school na Papa and Bamba fam. Then be our pen and me uncle catch me there. Will be a school Baba fam number for me. Me catch up a panana and so Nubu Funa or a broom.
Na me mammy or you'll be a winning on to me and I papa so. Waja your life for my inti mammy says Sadia Papa be now be family alcohol Akusumona Minako Ejuma. Inti me call or see mammy uncle catch him say Melka could 2 years or but me call you call 8 years and 8 years in so anya easier mama sir.
NPP MP4 ahye ese enkane mrahye dwani emanehia owo Dome Kwabenya abatom pesuaso omunya for Sara adwasafo enkopie party no bedweko bi efom party na mamra otwena so anim esanso mo kirem se omunya for Sara adwasafo ensemka bi a odi eyi ne ho ano e wona nse kwadbo bi na party fo bi edebo no wakasa amana atra party no enhyehyeye
that I deserved as a third-term MP. No MP has. S.O. Daku was the first MP of that constituency. He was part of Medina from NPP. He did 2 terms. Professor Michael Quay was the next MP. He did 2 terms. The first woman to lead and shoot the votes up massively was me. And I was the first to be able to do a Twitter in that constituency. Nobody wants to show me a single acknowledgement or respect. Nobody came knocking at my doorstep.
Na sedi wonim dada no na wadi ka hye se amanyoko na chitafo nyina enyai se wo kasa efa amanyoko no ho e wo kasa fidi awodo so a ema wantwantwi eba amanyoko no emu na wo kira ne ya wada no adi no enye se wagu wono mu nsem wode betu dwa na animtia keke na emum amanyoko no enhyehye ya wo ye se wo kyekira amanyoko na mana ko nanim no nso wa mana enwi peye ne sanse wo ye kane mrahye bedwane kane deputy majority leader ene kane minister of state ewo NPP amanyoko no munti nanka wo se wo ye nhweso pa ema fronso esuya na wodan hyeso edi nokure emanka bomunso eba ne nyina no wampam a yenti wabu amanyoko no emra article 35 eni afoforo bia eka ho ne senti wotwe na kogina amanyoko no National Disciplinary Committee enim akwatoto na no sankrata yi Justin Kodua Frempong ena ne nsa ehyase.
Director of Programs and Operations at the Mass Center for Democratic Development, the Chobutiawa Efrobo CDD, Ayora Frederick Adu Jemfi, Opaniche Mua, Nanso Bo Aprobi, our Ghana Mantamaudubi, and Ghana this year, Erchin Como, Quine and Swadu Mosherim Sa, Mabet Miafaso, Attitude May, Amana Payo, or Seaka said the essential Dinina Abna Yano. It's Angel Kuchu, some good crataso, Akuman Penny, Aman Penny Ehunu, Ghana forces and what drench the court me faso, Attitude May between me every year a year.
Nina. Ni ya be report baako na da koma ba mpani for obanwu se ensem di bi honoma efa education enti no won se aban so article bi a from education reform committee a so mo ye adwuma mo call round the year adwuma enti no ne efa education ho ne de be kwa akoma won na ye won so mo ne efa constitution so no ho no constitution review committee no adwuma mo ye no so on so ye betu di akwakoto omo anim but ye we are consolidated report nankasa no ye be ye ehyiemu bi na de ama aban that is say ye ne aban atoatoa na ya na aban nya first hand information.
Senior citizens a woman so eba adwumadie no ase no enso ne Adom News nsentwofo twetwe nkomo no womo de nsem se na tuudwa
yepa senior man na ye no eya na ye nse mrantin mabankwa no wo Ghana. So mpanyimfo bi nso wo kan bi no ya mrante ne maba ti say the wanyin wayan kwakwa ne merwa nanso wadwen ya adwuma eti saade a ade na yenwen wo ho ni di kan wodidi ana wotumi fa trotton taxi kokrom ana eya okwayare sabia
dami hie mi sie bi more often nche oboboa yempenfu na maninyara. This I mean you are doing the suggestions I will be no. You able to me as I as old people na hena banoso wabwa private sector na bana kasoso ma painful asesina why mbra wa amahon wo manim.
We sne begina anopa samudo eboa no ebesomo ese bedwem kase no aha ne nyina ebesie. Yeda on aba yebeda bokatemu ensem enochi esmaba online enso beto aso ede amount ye wie no pena akodi mu nsem eto aso head tips eho na sister Sandy B ya guy ede ahosepe aba yebedi komo afa yapom de nsem so na afa asem dika aba ne ne penfo atena se ede pensem so ato aso because na penso ye cha 3000 Ghana cedi sika osika eti Eric esieru body eba sekim or the first live draw no ebe bro because ne twa *281#. Selecting option 4. *281#. No, selecting option 4. Dudu obi abetu biya no. Emu baako etimi bo ede ma. Etini nyina ne sa fide no efa o numbers na etwa no ede a. Utwa dudu obi a waba baako o number no ebetimi niti. Anope ya benya 1000 Ghana cedis. Asemidika ebe na wie ya besa nya another 1000 Ghana cedis. Pense umbada we so be say another 1000 Ghana cedis. Be we no na 3000 Ghana cedis ano pay ye. Eti dial *281#. *281#. Selecting option 4. Nefa ewini. Yeda ho aba, yeda bokata musem abeto aso.
Edia me jiso ene abena popoa. Rennie. Mfi apoye mantemu. Kwa ehun komo. ɛna yɛbɛdie kɔman ɔbade adom yɛn nneɛma fɛfɛ akɛseɛ sɛ ɛbɛ no schools a kɔman wɔ bebree ɛyɛ ntoasoɔ sukuu no yɛwɔ nkɔkɔ senior high kɔsɛk yɛ a mewieyɛ yɛwɔ St. Peter's Senior High School Pesco na ɛba no suapɔn so a yɛwɔ Presbyterian University College a ɛwɔ Abetifi ɛna yɛwɔ Abetifi Training College Abetiko ne nyinaa ɛwɔ kɔman na nsrahwɛbea so deɛ yɛwɔ bi paa kɔman ɛwɔ Stone Age Park ɛwɔ Abetifi yɛwɔ Chenrase Mystical Cave ɛsɛ w'ani sɛ wobɛba yɛsan so ɛwɔ Bruku Bepɔ yɛ no so tafo kwan mu hɔ ɛna wobɛhunu no ɛfɛ paa ɛsɛ w'ani ɛnsa wo kakyerɛ yɛwɔ Ɔdua Bepɔ no so ɛhɔ no ɛyɛ paragliding site Ghana ha Ɔdua nko a ɛna wobɛhunu bi ade fɛfɛ yɛwɔ kɔman ɛdɔɔso afasa yɛdie ɛyɛ kwasidaeɛ ɛna sɛ yɛka Eastern so deɛ a obi anim ɛyɛ kwawo Easter ibra na bɛhwɛ w'ani so adeɛ ɛwɔ kɔman mu sɛ yɛkasa asase aban a yɛgye so yɛnti gyae ɔboɔ ba kɔman nie Ghana man nie Adom TV so ɛyɛ ahyɛmanim ɛbenada awia bia ɛna no 9 anwummerɛ mede Adom TV kaseɛbɔ ɛbɛbrɛ wɔ Adom TV yɛwɔ azoye Ghana busumi yi yɛbɛsom sompa.
Yes, Emma Munina Aquaba PM, Efamra Beckham Jumedia so. Make her say, Siko Sikan Cosunica. Cosunica. A star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Chagumusa. Peso udi. Tije huane chagum. Chagum sa nefako. Chagum sa nefako. 3,000 Ghana cedis. 3,000 Ghana cedis. Eti Eric Esir be ma 1,000. Me ba asem di kama ma 1,000. Ma saba pese ma saba 1,000. 1,000. Whatever they call it, 1,000 juba. 1,000 sa. Eti o se be 2 days ago enura amanfo so die. Enen so krofo ba be wini. Ne nyina so be yiro ho atwa. Eti dial star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. No select option 4. Option 4. And we are Adom TV. Tubo number 4 no share option na Adom TV. Na afi baby baku be twa be 5 Ghana. To twa be 10 twa 20 fagum. E dey our number betimi a drop it. No we need 1,000 and pay ya na. Se ne so ahia se gumi ni ba bia o se so ogugu dia. Be so ogu na se we mate kra na 1,000 betimi asort na ma bebre. Ebra say the bokata mun simra fe online stories here. Ababetu asona starting from Adom online can say ye live and so radio for su the radio for su for ma gibre na motie nyina so no ya mamu nyina ma chema makwaba e de ba bedwam twumade so on adomonline.com see ekosi say impact project present 50,000 Ghana cedis to kidney patients mbeka na no na Philip Osebonsu any ekosi sent team led by Dominic Kesi Yeboa Omanhene Kwabena Asante omunyina ka bo mu ese wojiji entoboa de aboa ye nwina sabio wanya kidney yade ye omwo kolebu na yaresabia wodo a wo man Ghana ahano semno ka se entoboa na Ghana fo eboa ese yemfamoa no yetime nya 50,000 Ghana cedis 50,000 Ghana cedis kanis kan 500 million tie nyina yade Ghana fo yade papa is supporting such a project eso yonko da no da na no mianka sambo anan eko ikolebu dialysis center hono enya ho ka baako say granty obi mo de the idea and by some of us were fully support of it so wako hono da enya ho ka bi obi else betimi akọ obi e back kidney yade de obi a betimi akọ eti ye mu a timi a contribution yankopon hire obi bia na nyame nam saa entuboi so ema obi bia nyenhyira yen tokoso moa ye ho sei ya kasi jeni nyina abo aban so a ebe da chi asem so at least 50,000 Ghana cedis ebetimi asort nipa ba ko menu miensa ena bi dialysis for maybe a week a month we dey kwa koboa won na 17 say we dey emfa Okodale center on mu adefo se wona wo bi wona ni bie enyina na age mpa na kentenso wona yakopɔ ye wadom kakra omo nsɛm de ye de nyame asɛm omo kra eno mo nhyira ye na bi ni yesɛm no ye de 50,000 ekwa akɔbɔ so congrats and kudos to Timekosi say for adwuma pa moye. 2 Chinese Ghanaians arrested for illegal mining in Tano Anua Forest Reserve. Eti mpanifo do ni akire Tano Anua Forest ni emwom koma kwache China fo mi no Ghana fo bi nso yomo ye galamsey ewo ehonom. I was a victim of character assassination. Adwoasafo. Then Adwoasafo again. Adwoasafo to face NPP Disciplinary Committee. I don't know pena way should General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kodua. Disciplinary Committee will be I always say you don't quite chase with your buffo. But the fact class about him so to be correct on Disciplinary Committee. No. Emma no ye how kakra. Say Adwoasafo koye interview bi Joy News ne semo kind. Party abo amanfo kokko. So as part of their healing from the 2024 election defeat, people should be measured in some of their utterances. Yes, yeah. Well, yes, sir. Party say will be the party in any form. But the crow so me say the case of Sarah Adwoasafo. And no one who say the MP from Praiso. OPK. There is a answer here, right? I be on the Facebook page. So some of the party people from the top to down were not fair to Sarah Adwoasafo. We were not fair to her. Time a party from penny for power. I didn't some to Adwoasafo. Young party penny be also issue statement. When according to Adwoasafo, when the man penny dim komo, when the party pen for so no dim komo, actually the entire afiba contem. Physical ultimate one adwuma so. But mo party pen for ya the address you radio TV so pan. Party pen for be no issue statement condemning it. Say be adwuma man pen akasa. Because me nyini say president Kufuor na ya in the say or just see the atu for 1 year. Ada just have no e wine. So for the president to have accepted say ampa adwuma but ne seat ni ministerial position no kwita no me ne to the amano no it means some komodi akoso. But man for super Sarah Adwoasafo. Na party constitution wo ho. But na nyame ya adom na se ne ho to no oba ba yi ne ho anu a. Ya ka hu se party constitution no. E wo nto se sa constitution ye adwuma. Oh yes sir, enye fair. Yes, mo yes sir, enye fair. And the same thing with about same will say the comment on Minim no count there say Professor Michael Kwe committee no says member. Meta man for keka say let's not discuss. So for NPP why their vote dropped in 2020 report. Me Ashanti region report on Kwan, but after offer Ashanti region there are some similarities. It's because ya report we area ko show been pass. And young workshop party for no on why the report is saying say a may vote a drop here. So that same mistake no more repeat it my party vote drop here no. You find same in the 2024 report. But the first time I be in so carry. Especially when it comes to communication. Ono party communicators need be doing so more can say we are not aware of some of the things that report in the capture in 2020. So same will repeat in 2024. So lawyer Justin Frimpong you am saying says Sarah Adwoasafo, if you calling her to the disciplinary committee, you have not been fair to her. She has suffered and no can. I was a victim of character assassination. As if you are politics now, na be so daily graphic. I have come Adom online. I would contest Dome Kwabenya seat again. Okay, Adwoasafo the NPP. Also say the papa nkwa no bi obetimi amana isa na adwen. The free Dome Kwabenya akonya so be contest and so one contest no. Amfa daily graphic the wakata and share asem. say Ben Galamsey excavators activist advocate eti ekobi so so ekasa de fa Galamsey ekon so na ekasa se man panima na nimre na excavators na echi me mfa nkonkosi wonom yenhye no New Kwabenya pledges to improve agric other sectors. The Kwabenya upon for that sebre akuya mo aboate ni otoso miensa. Eso ne kan seba obeboa se de be ye a kuya won se betimi afa no twuma pa de fra ewo kwawu mamum. Electrochem $645 million to expand operations. Electrochem force mo pay be $445 million. Now what they are threats wo dwumade ye a wo di emu. The publisher, Ghanaian publisher. Stop your hawks now. Afenyoma King tells Mahamanti, minority leaders on the say national security first year Badwam pen mama. Eltemu omusele be yom kofa boni bia meka omen. Now Toshi back successor attends his vetting. Eti onmanyam for arena Toshi ado. Dabi ado so bi. Refache onmanyam for arena Toshi. Man fence one mo. Onana eye administrator de ma common fund. Ne man pen mama ba yen. Ofira mo yabo obi abeshim to si nipa no aban so tadachi ye pa se de be ya dwumadi betimi awie payom. NPP drags Taifa Beyonce to disciplinary committee. So it comes to the picture of Sarah Adjuasafo for the Ewa, the Ghanaian publisher, Adom. Daily Guide. Attorney General okayed raid on ex-BOG governor's house. 10,000 Ghana cedi jewelry stolen. Eti Attorney General Swaba wanted to Kwanya National Security Files Bovra. Dr. Ernest Addison Fie Ekobo and search from some of us pa. There was here see a castle pay this 10,000. Ayida. After the good year being so ayida. Abra Japan and pen for a ban if you born a search. SML disrupted petroleum cartels tax evasion system. Eti SMS one says no and as I PM ewa. How and why national security picked Okatechi a free fan to Okatechi free fan symphony ewo a hanum. Say a queer far so a channel any the NT channel unya da bokate be hu sem bebre ewom. NPP initiates disciplinary action against Adjuasafo. It was the Sarah Adjuasafo symphony abba the bokate enim. Daily Guide and the custodian. Stop national security race on ex-appointees. I can was some just for drag to NPP disciplinary committee. I can was some good for oil policy and short stable fuel prices. He has Antampuli. And can you abandon so far? They say no. Show my control. Some no can say. As a good for oil in a president who found the band of Buama. Fem who intimate cost be brave. San Taban for Sanche. Cha uchem no ebium. The new publisher. Now, story at the new publisher, the Abba pay. We sorry, I say sapiosexual cafe down cool sparks up. Any idea? So I then sapiosexual, I just say, so why then? I say sapiosexual cafe down cool sparks hope. Hey, they have been telling something. Don't raid on ex-governor of Bank of Ghana's home, wife's jewels, cash missing. Yes, Dr. Ernest Addison, you need a say, Abra, Japan National Security pen for a bound on Nisika Aida, Fena Goodyear so Aida, ya, womb. Adjuasafo must let our dead mom rest in peace. Kwashiga family warns. It's the new publisher, the Bokata, and the Daily Gist. Nahama boys on rampage, raid governor's home, arrest Okatechi Afrifa. Iti aboso edada. Minister runs errands for Ibrahim Mahama Ntiasi Afedie. Abaso for share a year fisemso. Interior Minister. And then Ibrahim Mahama esmas manisa. Si Ibrahim Mahama kwa ya do ama prisons. And Osman Sajikwe. Nefakumomo efa mame. Kennedy begs US court to reduce $80 million fine in Anas case. It just see unmenya for Kennedy accompany kwa Japan so na Apple US court to Chelsea $80 million so munchia enfama Anas no say dos dodo. It court no hweda yentimi enteso emano. Daily Gist. Edede ebe tarapai we so ejina samodo eba da wakata me online stories. Ye de nyina esebeka se sika o sika koso ne twa na utwa nko a ubedi. Dial *281#. *281#. Selecting option 4. Chagum. Yeah, the first live draw. Bro. Se CA. Ubenya 1,000 Ghana cedis. Benenda questions here. agune mu nsem eto aso
For meeting the Mavis Amano Avonya, Fire Lady, Adorable Lady, Faithful Papi. Nemo Ghana man did Pusiana, Kenya Pusia the day, Major Sokama, Ediamo. Yo, me and Nana Kwafa could so the second. Any of him, Papi, Nana Afrakoma, the second. This is crown, yo. Mincha tourist attraction kakra. Ewa kosomo anase akwemu. Akosomo dam. Akwemu mansulesi. Yeni ye magana fu nyina nkania, yo. No bi fia boutique fia manone ni ade ba. Ye heya na nkrofo ba. Ibetina boat so koroso. Na body koji won eni kakra. Yo. Enu echiri no. Yewo museum kesepa wa kwamufi a eho yewo nneoma wo ankofo eba behwe enua yedi edu anopa ye twu meko ye poto meko ni ye diampesi ye na edu awia ya wo fufu ne menkwan na adechia ya kakokonte ni ye de nkwan ni bi yedi ana ye twu meko ye di kokonte akwamfo nen ye yakofo papa ene Ghana manti e Adom TV o nkohwe ba bia Adom TV ye wonne mapa ye de mawo adehye konkonfo ene ye wa ha ne das
Mididi efia amankwa tamaklo ne asantini na me eko na ni so na mame fa wo fa bakosemu ekakra ewo ya warwe mu ensem ansana be ma be ko abusuanim se wanhunu fra wa bi anenhwren bi wa abusuam na ni je ho no okọ ekobokokoko na yenim ye paasa okobokokoko nso a ya na ye kura snap ene ye de ko abakosem bi ewo ho awafo bi anu omotie omo ba yo ba ko pe wono ana no wosom ma me ne papa no ti mo pe so mbe ja no na mo bia emi ti ne hu akonya sa ba yo no wanyini o se ye wa no e ko no e na be ma na wo ba fie abe wa no o ye se ni obeto ensa e de ama no ti o to ensa wo de e koma eja no mu ye no na e se eje ti ma ye memre Wajani baba yo ba ko penu a wono ana hwe emrewa no waja wo e de ama dem jenu ya ba ko samba ko a e baba se ukọ aware ni mu a wasante amamre mu no ye de snap ana sensa eko ko basa na papa no bitirim ayemre na ye wi a waheda befie de niema ba abeye oba no ehu ade na ye nuane awodo ewo ho edoso ba ko pa empempi no edu dumadie bi ana yetadie eyeto se bia oba awo afa no afa ne ba no so ba be fia ya na ma no eto ana so wa ye bibi no adi nkunim wo bo no ya ma oni nkro no eto bra ye di nkosia ana pe aguso ede amma no eno ene asante ya mamre ahudo no ebi timigidi ye pa se Wagama manti, machia wadie, washia die. Koswa mwafidie no na Adom TV. Nebana mamrani amania, yedebe mau. Medasi.
Mama, Right, fantastic morning, match day. Yes, and J-Boy, Jananya Bedum, yes, the Black Stars of Ghana in a World Cup qualifier. And Monkanama Day, a game against Chad. Can you Husa? But I'm saying, I'm about a Bontino. I'm a game name, whom I'm penny for. I call Black Stars Company, Casanyas and Ketwaba. Yes, this is a game. And of course, Sunny Adi, me, AC, or Bo Moon, see a friend upset. No. Upset or boom, just say careful. And a book empire swash, and say, Western Comoros for Mali for Madagascar for Prenoir. I see a share DNA has a quay in Yadia, one summer. Now, young court 9 course and 7 city about Shannon Sumame, Franco Trading Enterprise, for Papa Fee on the Siakon Quano Pair, and then some radio bro. Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee. Now, they say, and your phone in Quan, yes, smart TVs, tabletop freezers, CCTV cameras, now more air conditioning, JJ, say no. But I'm not about to get the amount. Now, Play Store and App Store with my download your app on. Of course, or call francotrading.com. You have 40% discount. I bring our selected BB now or Toho. Now, as I say, so it's a fiato. Yes, I'll be Faka, Yaba Franco, or the beat. Yeah, they bro, or baby, I will be. Yes, Bernard Paddy will be producer. Kejona Cassani, Erica Siedu, where you ever call Black Stars and 7, but in Chassis for Yanama Maiso and Sana Yabafi. The UEFA Nations League quarterfinal and results to be a while dream one TSAT better dinko for but vim baby I find a matches or wait might be the good botomo France at Tifie Sama Croatia compone come you want to me auntie the likes of Mbappe moving edge the most one PK the likes of Perisic 38-year-old Perisic yes I mean no Bogumu Tim a nice goal by Germany about Italy by 2-1 Portugal Tifie Denmark Bono 1-0 and a Spain in Netherlands game the year 2-2 we any other games about so among Remo Senate. You can catch Netherlands, Spain 2-2, and Italy, Tifima, Germany, Bebon, Camino, or Timo Bako, Denmark, about Portugal by 1, Croatia, about France by 2-0. Other results about so interesting. Ireland, about Bulgaria by 2-1, Georgia, by Armenia, 3-0, Kosovo by Iceland 2-1. And Slovakia and Slovenia game, no, be Antimian Fabo Antonio Quantum Slow, almost saying near Mapa. Now, in the other playoff, Turkey bought Hungary by 3-1. Serbia, Ecuador, Cochrane draw, and after Greece, Scotland born 1-0 Ukraine. About Belgium by 3-1. Belgium, whoa. My goodness. And he, Utimusa, yes. Anra, Okopimo, Ewo, Yanama, my Swatim, Hosuna, and what then, papa, you know, coming ball, and then the motto Muhonomono. And the likes of AFC for so bomb there. But Paraguay about Chile by a goal to nil. Sansona South Korea ni Oman the year 1-1 to Saudi Arabia about China by a goal to nil. And Japan about Bahrain by 2-0. Australia about Indonesia 5-1. And Okupimo CONCACAF to Motomuha Patro Panama about USA by a goal to nil. Yes, and no names and the games no one summons so AC Echo. Yeah, the likes of Comoros also game no interesting pa. Africa, the American Africa also results no AC Echo. Yeah, and games no here and then so games. On our screen, Africa World Cup qualification. Interesting, I want some see it. Yes, and Mozambique about Uganda by 3-1. Zimbabwe Benin by 2-2. Guinea-Bissau called Luzu or Sierra Leone. Capo Verde Ethiopia Mauritius 1. Malawi, and so Atifi, Namibia, born 1, the Gambia, and Kenya, they know 3-3, Libya, and Angola, 1-1, Gabon, Seychelles. This is the match Ghana for any interest. Comoros, you're now 9 points. Comoros are losing to Mali, and you're Ghana, you bought Seychelles now. Table, no, so you're corner. We need send no results and see a coy in the CAF qualifiers. Yanshe send a first as no here and Ivory Coast going away to Burundi, Niger, at Morocco, and the Apim so Botswana, and Algeria, na Guinea, and Somalia. To drive and then the just upset BPM, Equatorial Guinea, Sao Tome, and then of course this is it, Ghana, Chad, and then Kawi Nasam Ghana, Equatorial Guinea, Guinea, Algeria. Ivory Coast, and then of course Morocco. Kawe na kwa diska go to but no bia ko jeja ne ho. Djibouti na ka Burkina Faso ni na wie. Ethiopia na Egypt na Ethiopia ja hye ne ho. Congo DR and South Sudan, na South Sudan na Jasha ne ho. Rwanda na Nigeria ne na wi, but ho ntimi nkyere. South Africa and Lesotho and so at the Badwam and we ne matches at Basso in the CAF World Cup qualifiers and opine so yede won some the Malta and Finland they pim so Poland and Lithuania in the UEFA qualification to the World Cup. Nothing on Cyprus and so San Marino and so at the Badwam Tikashan so sa Efa and Mame Hormona Okopiemo or the other one Romania and Bosnia and so Bebona Andorra and Latvia England and Albania and they ball in the UEFA World Cup qualifier anymore. No so asamono sharing so sa America Africa at the actual Bakupiemo Shinia Moto Monia the idea almost the basso but comedy ball Mahimachia Brazil abo Colombia by 2-1. Rafinha and Vinicius Junior Moya Jumano to say yes we nya penalty no the way so Peru abo Bolivia by 3-1. Equal on Venezuela bebo na Uruguay and Argentina and so at the Badwam. Wow. New Zealand we need 4 and Tahiti at the top of New Caledonia about coming and someone to me ante Canada Mexico born 2-0. I'm machia yes the channel so from Canada just and Hoboko the semi-final of the CONCACAF Nations League and one summer running into channel so sa efa my na bechiska iti tamuchu kumecha 1000 and sana mako but okopiemo wo efie some kakra na live at 7 p.m. where Accra Sports Stadium the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana will be on fire against Chad the phone na Chad the phone call mu training eh e so mo nko gym kakra mu gina treadmill na so na mo suro say mo treadmill na bi hu bi da ya mo transfer na bi ti ahwekra eh we dey answer mo kra na nyenya what we were to see your person and one Sambisia Minister Adema Sports and Recreation Honorable Kofi Adams and in some Ababetudra I say Kwambia so no GDSM right in the abre person mo ti o man anymore nyesika sem na mo so mo be no mahye na qualify for the World Cup.
I have engaged these players individually. None of them is thinking about money. I know why I'm saying none of them is thinking about money. Under normal circumstances, there are some monies that, like by now, should have been paid to them. It hasn't been paid, but nobody is talking about it. So it tells you that the players themselves understand the times in which we find ourselves. And so what they need is kind words from everybody and prayers. We should not speak about them or of them based on previous experiences. Let's all agree that, yes, mistakes were made in the past, but we are turning a new leaf. Let's approach it that I know the team that I'm working with now, and I know that psychologically they are very prepared.
Right, and on some honorable Kofi Adams said to you, we also come Black Stars, some head coach Tuaro. And so I say actually must say motivation and what was the see and say or many share qualification to the World Cup.
Mr. Speaker, even just participating, you map.
Again, surely I'm the head of the Black Stars, I'm the head coach of the Black Stars, but it's not only on me. You know, if it's on me, I would even change myself inside and try to, but I can't run anymore. So it's not only on me. But surely I understand that, there's a certain pressure. We have a good position. And this is what also the players did also themselves. They beat Mali away. So this was very, very crucial for us to come back to the top position. And now we have everything in our own hands. This is very, very important, very, very good for us. And this is really, really positive. And again, I want to thank you for this positive environment. I think the players, when they came, they really felt welcome, and everybody can feel the energy, which is coming from outside, which is very important for the players. And I'm very, very sure we will deliver. I can't call myself an expert for this or that. I always want to win. It doesn't matter. Even if we play good, I want to win. You know, it doesn't matter. I always want to win. It has to be the World Cup or whatsoever. So the players are the same, and surely we had a bad qualification for the outcome, and now we're looking forward to do everything possible to win this next match. And then from there, have a very, very good position to go.
All right, and only the coach Otwaro there to a or mistakes I qualification and as I say yes say a bit to me and now young court the floor of parliament and Okoko Pimo now honorable Haruna Idrisu on Pania Ghana education would anymore as minister or then to Black Stars and 7 much so many break no more say a bit to qualify at the court near Bequa na ye Chad the Assasse na the Madagascar at was.
Mr. Speaker, even just participating, you will marvel how much money Ghana will make from participating in a World Cup. The players even have personal benefits. In fact, the players who went to Qatar, a player who appeared only once went home with not less than $90,000 as his participating reward or benefit. Not to talk of how much the country got. If you fared better and you got to semi-finals and finals, the bigger the reward. So, Minister, we have no excuse against Chad. Our reputation in football have waned over the years because of the indiscipline.
Right, and so I know the honorable Nigeria the two. Franco Trade Enterprise, the sponsors and a promo can ho. Yet some no war and sana me economy ma 1,000 and then so gugu on kan na 1,000 be gu phone so but e beto phone so e fro afa. Nine months papa udi e fro now I busy sir. Me say nko for so diska. Ete tracker group start 281 hash na select Adom TV also. Wa be hu Adom TV or no select Adom TV no na fe option 4 now the kakra gum back 5 cities into we are now the gum say baby say as a number of tickets umia 1 and 1 year 5 cities it say be about 5 cities you be control 5 better 5 times 5 1 5 cities be say 2 year 10 cities 30 tickets no dey be say dodo ahen na woto te dodo ahen no o say be me to 10 no back bia 5 back bia 5 cities so as no as obi buy say ya attend dodo now call me again so na ka me twa 10 cities ma ko 10 I got 10 there 10 5 50 o say how many 50 or dream on tiase when so yes sir ba ko be 5 nti anu ho sane obeye nafa so kama pa na ya yanko the Ghanaian Premier League twaso this weekend challenge Wenra outstanding game back over Accra Lions Nick Carrera will be at me on football Anthony Nyonko Atrem now it continues this weekend now as of going away to Gold Stars. That's a vocal winning. No, we're losing back-to-back games against Dreams FC. And then over the weekend, so I'm peke and I had dream papa and yasam keto Accra. Now Accra Lions and in Legon cities. At the Bedwani, na Asante Kotoko Tena Fiat on Safre Basake Holy Stars. Karela ni Bechem United neighbor Medema Sporting Club near Adriana Stars Becum Chelsea and FC Samates Vision in Nations FC Dreams and the Young Apostles in Swataman and the Heart of Lions and about Tuba. Astro Tefone so and I say no to say no to hooliganism. Yeah, na okwa chira obobra koko ko papa obi asum bia so what I say no listen and some so AC tie. Enra okoko pie mo wo the camp of the Black Stars aba na to say members of parliament MPs no munyina akopie mo wo stadium moko chiam sa monyere mo betima hye monyere mo nti vema dia ma mo dia mo hye and 7 p.m. live commentary or Dome FM Asempa FM Inshira FM. Yedi ne muta honti yedi na ese ya no wati. So amu na bibia so atimi akoye kama 6 ni ashase dada. 6 ni ashase 7 ni take off. Vum ni ya kono nti. Wanetwa you know what time it is. Now 1,000 star 281 hash. Now select option 4. Now 1,000 cc. Now let's go. Yenum kaka yenum num 5 4 3 2 1 when I did 190,000 no why not did I just 0248 877 wow I bet phone so yeah frost is here 0248 877 something yeah frost is here no bana no akasa sans 1,000 nya bad this year it was 1,000 I bet so where this guy Franco for number no na fe me friend nipa odi e no sisi a 024 642 2338 024 642-2338. Then, of course, 055-593-9311. 055-593-9311. A francophone number. And no name official numbers. Now, I will probably a fake to say Kejwano. So, it's in patrol. Franco Trading app, or Google Play Store, na App Store. francotrading.com on website, na kwambiaso no. Only one is also out on the upper south. No matter the phone, just a phone yenye. Of Franco Trading Enterprise. Smart TV ranging from 32 inches to 55 inches. Tabletop fridge and also benyebi na kwambia so no water. Franco air condition from 1.5 horsepower, 2.0 and of course 2.5 horsepower. Ni na no benyebi of Franco. CCTV cameras so ya come up any da ho benyebi hormo ana wa to me at. Hello, good morning. Yamwa kwa Badwam TV soon. Congratulations. Skarabetum.
Yeah.
Udini say
Midile Dako.
Dako?
Yes, sir.
Your friend or one fine, I'll share it to me, Freddie.
Me waka.
Akra fine.
Abeka.
Abeka. Hey! Na chase abetomu chuku. First time I will try Biniana.
And let me first time, but let me channel radio station. My you over that the one mammy who to no pay.
Yee! Now, Chasing. Which are saying?
Me chabe 55.
Hey, I'm not telling you about Tom.
Over.
Natasha, no pay the bed, eh?
Hey, and Kodaofi.
Oh. Kodaofi. Good.
As Daniel, the mama.
Sure. Yes.
Mama no cry daddy.
Wow. Oh, you tried the ability. They say no. Ti do do na fashion kwala na fa kakra sa gusu na betima san di ba kwa kan ye baby akan bebre ko sisi aba o baby eti fa kakra gusu why
NCO
da bi hwe ye baby akan
okay ne me to aso ha
ko sisi aba pa ye de ba the star 281 hash no one select say na o ye no na option 4 na wadi why
okay
gracias also afa honjim na bia be fine na hwe Adom TV why fantastic yes I'm not sure say kwambia so no bibia dem krojen also betima dibi star 281 hash no one select option 4 na kwambia so de kakra busu aja nipa nsahwe anopai oja 1000 ahye no 55 cities yo and say onya 2 5 5 10 5 5 10 10 5 10 5 5 sa on say nice strategic now number ni gugu mu rough ye twe na you number no diska e dia go botomo fantastic yes I'm saying ya do be si Bernard Padibo twe me producer yes Miss Esther Ajabia Dako, CEO of Ajabia Classic GH. Fantastic morning going out to you. Won't my men sakame. Me tissue box or the beats I come on. Yes, make up on the beats today. Fantastic morning going out to you, Miss Esther Ajabia. I was saying, ya do be si na the aka twaso. Sabre ya pomode won sembe shemuha. If you are not the aka ba. Koso hebedwe.
Enanso memu akwaba. Na wo chi yedi nkomo pa na eyemede nkomo no ko na wiye no. You hear us all quack check no test no near so will be a draw free ho. So cocoye. Cocoye, we no quana would be a draw free no ho. Yene Doctor Mwakudia, and your family repa or UGM Sinti, Bibia and Coma ye dear how I now bar. I another mobile ball pa no dog yanasi, your more quaba. And I hired the referrer there home.
There be say there will be a team.
Ama I have built any more, man if any more, bra and you baha nim before no munya bre and famo. Yanasi na watching what boy and pa boning na tofa, nothing in her prevention.
Until hepatitis C virus and once them. Now they can say or more tie cyber pa near air can be only says some one about more. With the womb, and since will be a net is some one about then so no more, no more as cyber bono. Your ambassador born a bedroom baby, no nabla born into me, Juma, as when your liver cirrhosis and I liver failure. And I say, on him the cancer about the tobler bonum. And he so one check yam one who say, oh, one beer. It is a hypertension, diabetes, who someone be then so more cyber bono. Be in a dinner, yaw fubaya case when Nancy betatai, when you subaya yellow, bones a be dow yam or from winter mini do film with Jano, not just a or my sabre bono, amana aquachiri. It is a checking as your winning tama, a bit me a seat, sir, nsunsan so ya mabugo ano
nti yenhwe
prevention and I'm say fa emoja mu one say hepatitis C there you need vaccine ya de prevent
okay
no vaccine no ho nti de hia na say bebo ye ho ban
say de be ne de vaccine
be no vaccine wo
na C ne vaccine na na yare ba ko different ade
sentini a chechechu mu A B C D bia ne ekwan a efa so ba
ti C ne de vaccine
C no mo ho ahomete on say the nti chance o mo multiply tentem o mo multiply no mo change nti bia na obey vaccine e de atia we the next time no change vaccine no enya adwuma bioma no nti na ama ho yeni you know nti enam se enam emoja mu de ene ye betimi aboye ho ban se de be ya se de mekan ne de si won share obi ne de onkofo obi toothbrush
obi blade ni ade
onkofo obi blade ayi obeyo procedure bia obekọ ba bia won betimi ahokoro instruments no hu yie se de be ya circumcision na tribal marks tattoos yi ze nipa bebre ye tattoo unhu baby o eye efi yesa ebetimi aboye ho ban
we dey fa chem na me fa mapemfo yi mfemo apemfo no mu bi ko hospital ye check o mo ze ne ka ho yeso o mo hepatitis B ebe ni aja o mo sa opemfo nyimo a B na okay na ye ka si ho asem ebe opemfo betimi nya si ni bi
on say de tia ne say anka ese etimi check B ni a check C apemfo ni nyina o se etimi check B ni a
check B ne pe
ba de B no nko na ye check but wahu zo mo check HIV ma apemfo ba o hwe prevalence of HIV e wa country mu hanoma e o de compare hepatitis C hepatitis C no ye be 5 times more than HIV the other near checking HIV near checking hepatitis C. Other near checking hepatitis B near checking hepatitis C.
And then now what can the M7 better the atoso?
But one call a painful no, one more check it, and say you're positive. Then here and so on, but refer they are called a gastroenterologist. Okay. Enya ya hwe blabo mu ene ensumu yade no ye be hu kwan ya ye do ombeba ye do ombefa so ye be mo aduro ya so mu hia ombefa
to onyem kro betimi anomo
hepatitis C aduro ni de onyema ye mfa ma wo but obu wi a ye de aduro no e be
no akra na se obewo na afa akra nim
na me kan so omo ntanya omo tanya e fa akra num ye omo bi a wada yafunum no na omo ye procedure bi ama akra no e wa yafunum
eno betimi anya ti no sa ye wo akra na ye ma na duro bi na prevent
no ye ma na duro bi a
C no
ye ma na duro bi a said the American say normal delivery no de ya na e ma enkra no entanya
but B ne nam no
de vaccine wo ho no and I say open for no kura onyim nyina o duro ho a ono betimi afa said the be ya akra no enya bi
ene ne wada me fonsia na ochiwa ya de Dr. Mwakudia na ye ne de nkommo no ma ye mu nhyehyɛ apemfo ni titu okɔ ne tese na wo bi enkosu emema ni jeja wo because they be nya sanity okɔ hospital a doctor fo yi wo ho mbehwe no ama bibia ye kama fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic wo yare nko a wo frɛ no a obejo so 0244867068 friend no ko check infections no any hepatitis aye ka ho asem ko no ko check hwe ebi ni mu a okodu akobo de ye wo ho pane no abo de eni ho pane nso ese okoye viral load ne ehu ne dodo ne ade waje ho aduru na ne una okwo de mu ye da se na wo hwe besi mu se won kwane ahoden afia amankwa atamakro ebese hia bida team ni nyina se editor Gina Nyamisha ebese hia
eti afia amankwa tamakro ye da se ene enkomohwam na wo hwe wrapping up ye pa obi bi otimi follow you from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Esua de enya bibi e de efrim. Me se nipa yenkwane ahoden. Yenkwane ahoden. Na eno na make sure say enyare em found to stretch aso ansa no akọ hospital. Yes. Enyare em found to stretch aso ansa no akọ hospital. Na moya no den na bia nya me no eno ko je menu sita tipa cho nya ho a why ko especially mu amowo health insurance cover mo no fakora de fakwa test So when you escape around to do at least when him say be saying and a beer a beer and a catch them. And no say me call with Dr. Amumedro. No catch him just questions here. All that you need to do is to do more exercise. And exercise yes can return. Was me I mean feature me nyambrena me nanti be 30 minutes 1 hour beer for the evening. Me good to go. And on your draw, so but it comes out as a result of tests now. Dr. Bien wait me actually mark out to me when him tears when me a fear idea HIV. Dr. Bien was a obey your test. And the test will give the doctor a reason to tell you why you are not feeling well. So me and fair pom din samuni agro. Because there be also a jibrena or share the health tips with the fear man quite tamaklo. See, send all church and cinema at the effort. A doctor phone him the enum kutan. Na fa be bobra. Ebi ensuo nom. Ebi eso betimi adaye. Ebi eso ummo pitri na nso. Na e de alarm so de ye brade. Dio. Yeah, we are se bra yebo. Ya ne de alarm sorry de. So ti word some. So anti and so as part of Ghana month. Yeah, chere. Sani ebobo brono biaye ebi edin na yenya ne ye no. Ene ye ba be kire foforo so. Ene so ye nkran krodwe mu. The etiam ye de na si nkran western ene the fancy areas near say ehwo na em say din no dudu ankasa no ye tanya ne wrong. Then ye be ko from mountain there voter oti na afie ko north. Ye be ni nyina kakra Ashanti ni like the Akan community ya wo Ashanti the Kwawu the Bunono ya na nye too much difficult ever ma nipa bebre. But some of these areas na mabobo so no and otu ye na e dia yesua enie tie ne tie sene ye ka no eyie sene be ye a unkobonti sene de biada me boti no. This is Ghana month achire hwebi
Jatu yan wudu dey yare ba chire wan nkronkro onye bronu bi a oni din won boni yei wo yan mani mu eba nkrana bronu bi a wo friend amasaman amanfo bonde amasaman namum oye amasaman
eti yenyu akobieshan e bia mekas nyame enhira no on say da bia mekas yenyi na eboti me kwa basa kwa akoide ayi me kwa basa okay oh say ya boti yeah dio ya boti ne dinda musa ere ekum eti kana man to kroye musa be ka de bakwa safa ato on sem Bible kura kase yeni aduaba ne fra Haman ense yade. Na nsem wuntimi enkonguram kote amba bi ase de kwakwase yade bi akeke. Wohia nim de suye hunu ne ntiase wa haba na akwakotem. Na otimi on se ampa haba o se besa betina se menua ebese yade we. Die kwa betimi de aka haba no kura no me kwa haba ye no ne sa akeke. Yade bibi ka ho menua ne se menua man ko du sei eya haba ba yade be nesa. Yade ba ko esa tiate se pa yade fed asthma. Unuma haba yade sa asthma. Shaba kro.
Amol Amagashi. Mini CEO ameda Amagashi Herbal Clinic ano ewo Ghana ha nyina. Na Ghana month busumi a ye wo mi. Me pese me chew ahaban bi. Evise nkofo obro ono ma yade o yare no. Anu aduru eben no. But enam se onimti yare ne edini nya ema ne waye mobo. Ohwe bebia me gine ya. Me pese enipa nyina hu sa ahaban we. Ni din eye adwra. Esa sunsum yade esa honam yade. Adwra ya ahaban bi a ewo Psalm 51 verse 7. David di bompa ese fa adwra yi fayi me ho bone. Dwale me na me ho fi. Adwra kro na enye bone nko na yi. Eye ahaban bi a ne dwuma titire we ye pan se obi owo asthma. entehyewa so tete adwra na se wo hata na ewo na wo siti se powder na wo hitin so hye na wo de powder ne gum na wo de ewo atremienu anase miensa kra so de wo benum mu a menua de o asma na atena no so many years na ase etumitu efiri ne so kokora abra embabim enti adwra kro yi a na yenua no mo ma ne bi wo ho a owo spiritual marriage obi o no ma sunsum na wale no opani bibi wo wiase se bibi ni wiase nka Yesu Kristo nsa yade nka nkyere nipa ne se yade a mesaye de enkoka nkyere obi a efise nipa bi wo a ompesa wo ho beto yare bi wo no nkofo bi hye akyiri enti sa adwra kro yi se wo de adwra no wo bɔ modern na se wo posa ne ewo nsuom na se wo de dwale a sunsuma ware bi edi wachi bia no epam ne nyina fi so ema wo nso utimi de wo ho ema wo ho to enti nyankopon ade bi a oyeye bia no wo ya ade ne se de be ya menu mienu to haw ni amane ma ebe yiye fim because so kan tresem na Psalm 4 Ezekiel 47 the verse 12 na wo se mundi dua na ba mo fa na han sam mo yale wo kan Romans chapter 14 the verse 2 a wo se de waye mmene no ondi ahaban dua ne nkwa onyankopon de sa ahaban we dua Ghana ahaban ni ewo fichire esan bemben yen enti se obi wo sa condition nim na eye asthma entehyewa pa ne hana opani anu adurni de ehia ne se obeposa keke na wabo modern se wo de wo be hata ewo a na ewo wi a na wayam wo de ewo kakra bi fra eno ano asthma ne fruit ko sunsun fam de ebetimi aye no ene se ebe yi spiritual marriage ne dae bone nyina afu so akọ obi onum ko oda won som dae o kan Bible na Job chapter 33 the verse 14 a wo se onyankopon kasa plako ne de etiampre no enipa anwene ho dae mu na nipa ne nyankopon ne nipa kasa entu obi onum a oda fitim inna ne nyina dae kro onsum bi obi nsu besom dae ne ni betena ne re de efi abrabo aye bo no de entia bi sunsum de na sha asere se nkofo ebro won problem won e sunsuma de Job chapter 16 the verse 12 no was obi on man ko bedi yie na so yare ebubu no enti sa yade a ehaw as asma de onum we a eno ano ekọ se wusi na se ewo a de ehia se obesa atre baako na wabu nsuo be half of tea cup na wo de egum enti wo de gum na se wo kafra susu ewo atre miensa efagum onum ye na eno ano ho atọ na djuma pa eye no obefa na nopa no afa na nwumre ache pan 1 week to 2 weeks asma na efuru so kokra embabim kra sana na dwumadie etie ahaban ne yefe ne adwra ore fi Psalm 51 verse 7 David se fa adwra fa yi me ho bone enti na dwuma eye no tumi nyankopon de man se obi pemechiri kwan a ye okumase maazi makru udu makru janshan ka se o Dr. Magashi sansu na se o won kan patemu ha e kaswa prison junction takrade ya pawan kejebri government school mo sanso na se wo takwa bogoso a ye bogoso power line e na techima mfo nyina so ye techima henso brigade Dr. Magashi eho ene yewo yade ye kan asma de nyina akom number ne 0547 04 4307 0547 04 4307 erade emfa haban so na oma won so ntumi nde wo ho na yade a atena wo so a eye asma ntehyewa no eno so furu so na wo so ho nyede ento
okay eti yesa ho yade ye ho aduro I don't know Dr. Bedasi eni suehunu ne ntiase ne ani bia ode amaye bedamo abane mo marosi me free asante matemba chemse sija ato kumase kejetia eti enche be ko ne akwakodi honom so enkombo eti kumase kejeti ehese sabeka yenua obemreku adem se emso obin na honum ti wo TV ne so a eja ya ato kumase kejetia na ohunu ya Ghana National Fire Service ejina ho TV pacho mo check mam just menya obin number no wa hadum a okay mun try say wetimi enya obin na wetimi amiate ne ekonase eye pa die na ekofare by say etimi identify a asemo ye brother no patutu to say we ne awhwe eye live from Kumase Asante Mantem America je be try say betimi anya ya man boni ya ohodom ti we eye live feed ye dey every asantebantemu ede ebrewo ojatana ya ato kumase kejeti the first for so aya de mahunu fire tennis bese baako so fire baako ya mahuru odom no so tiwe nyina na yeka waso se ekwana block you eti hweba bia fire tender no esi na hweba bia janato so we na so yeka wasem wo edwem ho no so hweba bia car fire set for car nis no and the fire tender no we man ponti and a car the free able wo nim kumasi bia hweba bia man ponti wona hweba bia kumasi kejetia ewo man ponti na kai efri esa ba bedru so hweba bia ejanato na hweba bia car na ye dum jano esi ni nyina eye because say ye na ye didwa ewo dwam no ye si kwan no e o kan ye si buei we ye ba ye atomu a ehye probu se bia kaka ne ti ba nim kaka hwe eja na ehye kono eh brother amanfo esika pa na ekose so ye ka so mo mo bi dwam so mo nti ka so ba bia mo jey we be watch kaka because eja no ehye na ye be kwan nem na ye nya da bia de obi bia betimi ye ho ano na se yantra kwamu a ni dwan for na kwakotena ene hwe ni makofa ba na ejatem no ya ke betimi edu na ma we se ka wo fro ba me nyini se betimi ewura se first for ka wo fro ba me nyini se betimi ewura se adwan ko ba akun kratu antimi anwuram sa penipa esan kwa hu nyina aje kwa na boso ne edi dwa ho no ti we ba wo de yan hwe se obimbre kwa ma na totomu a yan ne be kasa yan na wo emra yan beto aso
ntimi nimu opani bram kamba na wote se eja na ehye eba 4:30 ne eba ha ye be pempa bo ne yi mpabo wa ha ye ba ya no so ho no ana start hello fm ho start ya shibata ne yakura ka se mpabo ha ne de mante ekoso yi mpabo ebe wansa asa tie se ya store be se Ford abrose ya to aso be Ford ni nyina condemn me see ye nwuri de nya kura ma bi kura wa ya ka se ye nko yi ni de wa so da bi enuru ha ebe wansa duru ho abi ya bo na ye hu ya bele ye nwuri de nya oh me say dai konso ni ma shi bia na
da bi me de me driver ni wo adehyeman
samba na oti asem no
ye wo hon ma ho ma chi be 5:30 to 6 ni hu se wisie apie ketia ni nya ara shi se be hwe de asi in fact ebe hwe ni jana no nya den aso na fire tender bia ni hanom oh eti abra mobile ne jana no ya den omuti ena ba ko penso na di ka ba se de ne janso asi de no ya de so betima ye ho hwe nti bra wo mfre bia ombeka ho na che se wo me ye ho hwe a enye yi
owo me wo se owra ko wo se owra
makoma kura mi ntimi nkasa ade a me hu mani so na me hu bi da ntimi nkasa ya hu mi ntimi nkasa
mate na
4:30 na start won mu na so nketenkete ntine bisa ka fire service for no komere be o me ba na koma be dum ba ye hwe mo nim sa o mamba ye hwe mo nim sa o mamba ye yesu ntimi ahonde so ntimi na janu so anu ya na ye de anu ya na ye de ana ba be du bi sese no ntino mutine sa na de sa na tie awu am tu krapo ya bre amana ya kasa ye bibiasi esi kania na gu oboto isi ayere ahu ana ewarm de be ni amba be dimpro ayedene so
yegusu a ka kire wo mba bia mutie nka bia dodo bia wa santebantem ha bia no enmanum nyina no ye hia mo kagetia pizza blue light ha na e de omatimi aboa san se ewu a eja no adina no asefem awreko de sa aja pade kofoja pade ana asai kofoja pade ana abai chese asefem na e de na mo chem se amankofo ntwa medum jana mamu
akwan ni ho amaba dada akwan ni ho
oh ha de ha
akwan ni ho
Oda kasa kafra wate chese menu ya ba no chese why so depressed ontimi kron kasa na baje na oton wa ha de na oton wa ha mami tamai jana hye na wa ha bi
bacho da bi
na brebe na ate
okay me tie nche but me buy na me hwe se de jana na no edin
onyema wa ha bi
me niema ni ha me boa ma ya yi niema na wo me bi apie
ndase eti ni padodo na eguso boa se de be ya jano ye betwe ni ma do na afrim ejane dum ne de ya entidia akohia ne se we se ya boa na niema e sha stores mu no yetimi yi ni nyina ade afrim asan se jano ato store etoso miensem abro se etoso miensem afra se wo so ya
Aicha ebesi a second floor. Na say aba ground floor as FM. Chairman na wa be janto.
Yeah, na mo me see from me bedroom me wo Roman hell. I wanna me to me niama. Me see from me nua no me ma me no me sisters no. Omo niama na ja. Ejai atomi. E me ya as FM na say ja. They say kwa na adwuma kwa me ko. Me boa yenyina ye mo apo ye ho. Esira Ghana ye mo bo. Ye mo bo.
Kwani ko bra. Na abusia se wo hwe aha. Wo hwe aha. Eja no ano odin papa na enkofo dodo na eguso eyi eniama wa ha na ye hwe se ebenya ade hia bi ene wo mo dabi me ma ho dabi o dabi posa dai dabi o an kamedai ade na sia wie ye kasa wo se wo babu obi abusia the police are attacking me because ye kasam ye na you sorry. Yeah, the police are rushing on me. I don't know the offense I've made here. As a reporter, as a masi, the police are rather attacking me here. Abusia, the Gusua, yeah, Bossa, the Bayer Fast for me about. No, my Dumujano, a positive phobia, attacking me, sir. I don't know Mabaho, I was on Wasam. I don't know the wrong I've done here. Minimum Yamaya said, Meko Busa, Nyama Ashino, Fast with the Foja, Casper and Maba, still Najaneshe, and the police are here attacking with the reporters here. I didn't think I hear to report. Ghana for Mwamunjaje, I this year, I was sentimental from a positive for Juma Mo Edicheva. Yabaha Yadina Bois, Sabia Fire Service for what Chichili Benchaya, better about Boba Dumjano, a Janeshe by a Sati police might call himself. Our show uniform is coming to slap me, coming to attack me. Abusia, we are still on the grounds. Yeah, my report, the Guswana de Shebi Edim Como, Nasa Obaha, a Jana Guso shape, Fire Service for Timujano, a Janukwane Quasro, Kwane Quasro, a Danumi and Saaneshia, a Dana tray, a Brosama Kumako tray, and a Jacano. Third one, the Jar told me, best in there, 5 services for Baba, 1 month to Mujano now, gateway, Shutter Road Gateway, no, and we see a free hobba, and no what form, and we see a free hobba, ye nim dia it five services for antimal nuru hantama bedumwa down front on so and also jane be se ni nyina abusuafo awereko adwadifo ma no esu dodo na ebre dodo na e kire se o ma jebosia na de ye adwuma e ka na aba kofo otwa adwado kofo titakop na se wo hwe akire ho a asefem awereko just a chira hodi no ade ne se wo mo abobo nua na ewo ho na enya asam ketwa enua no enam se awo na ejato ma na e continue chira hodi worma etonton watch worma etonton somade worna etonton paboa e wo chira ho ne de menya sure se ba kumpo be fa ade ba kokrempo e de afiri ho eja no ade awu eja we de bitma kasa santimantem ha yefiri afiasi eja kase miensa ato ha we ka ho nan we ni kase pa be kase ewo mu a enya asam ketwa a se fem awereko na dodo na no wo mo bo 5 service for no so bo se wo mo beduru ha no wo mo sie nsuo no mo ka nu mu enye se nsuo no mo ka nu mu dem de mani ahu ba ko kire se wo hwe wo mo ne ma wo de bae na ase nko a na ja wo mo fire tender no hydrant no etimi eduru na edum no na se si am no ka sai wo hwe machi ha wo hwe screen so a wo utimi wo se engusie kumo enye nsuo na amu na na egu ha na ne nyina ne se opani ba ko ogina ha mi chem se ne shop na wa ase ha yi me chem se ne shop and na wase he na wo baaye no na enipa time buani aboa no yes omo na begina ha ebu ye wo panyita me na tim beduru ha
me ba 5:30
time de ya hu se efra ase
be 6 to 7 on mo na start here 6 to 7
na time be ti
am na me begina ha de be
time be na wa utimi e packing nyama nyina de be
am for no so mu start me di country go na ya san twe ba ha no won mu na so mu ya no be fam pabo for man no mu so mu ya twe ba be gu anu nya no maketo o na gu osa
abamba je fro say
me de Mr. Mankwa
kafra Mr. Mankwa ne na bon komo no on de yame adon oba watimi aboa ebunu store na ni ayi mu niam adodo na yi mu niam adodo mo niam na gu he
to fresh am niam you say container to the air fresh spray niam adodo
kafra na tamba na to
mi fla sankale ana me dia banti mi sola ho ma che 4:30 no bedu na sa ka be 9 minutes na 7 mi tisi from na musa jani tamu tu ya be he na se niam mi fla sankale ton atwede ya sankala atwede na me de ba bedu a ijana hye niam ni nyina air fresh ani ba kokura
yes na menya opani ba ko a menya na ntia se abrosan a etoso emiensa eja akan ono na ya na dia na abusuan a chese awreko I am so emotional chese me wura ko na dai se woni tia se woni emehye na wontimi nnom no asefem na menya opani wa ha papa me ma ukafra me ma ukosem timu so woni ase atatai ko se wate kose na mpayfo ka asem se won kwa na wo ade ka me na wote se gai ato wo abrosan ni mu
kimsa bangi fo bia beje esoro ni nyina tino megusu a meye ho adwuma nti me sole ahoma kyesa me koto materials no bi makoto materials no kura eba ya kakakra bi na ya wi minim adekra esi timi ko ba bi na abrosan na ya me brother panyin a medina timi ensa dia timi na me ye bibia me na me ye ho bibia do mo frɛ me no me de minim hwe mi dimirika ba se bia wo ye bi na ayesa nanke me ba ye de wesi aye no ye ho hwe a eniye
enti se wo hwe abrosan ya stores do be se na wo
oh stores be 18 in the room
na tambe na what is the fire service for
24 fire service for only there omo ba ye no so omo suasa dia ya omo bantem kra na omo behwa ha na nka amani sa omo gina ho sa omo ameye hwe ho omo ba ye na ye die nsre
na mama hwe asai se ya wo so ni enu wa so se digma ha to na ma wa ha
me to no ma wa ha
ni ba na to na ha
phones ne computers nyina sh ni nyina sh
na ya wo sare sika so egu shop mu ana
sika de bi nwo ho nyame kura na edana sisa nga bank fo no ba na sika no wo ho a kadiesi
ya se bank fo so da wo so ho omu diguma
de bia fe no ma start ya
ha
na de tie
ba che fro se
Kofi Edu
Mr. Kofi Edu wono ana wo hwe abrosan a ewo mu 24 a etoso miense jana kanana eye ne dia ye na di nkomo o chem se na nse ntem krampo ana bank fo aba ha abaje ba ko se oboba ya bede dwuma senka se esoro ho nyina omaje senka bank fo na abade a anka o chem se de sika dodo na so no anka atimi ahia enye asam ketua na opanyima hu se wani abre pa oniema wa habi woton oniema wa habi ana
ambele mintonema wana me taxi do ba mi taxi ba equasa for market
okay
na mi fada ni mini pa tinyama na esen o se park taxi na mbo na o yi ni bendes nya dey e free stone mu na me bo ano nti me ne mbapa na me na na tikiditi a e jan so start shi ya chepa around be 6 o'clock jan start shi asenia mapa
me da se taxi do ba ko so na a che de onu so hu ye no wo de na wo ton wa ha
acho me ma mennioma e wo store honum before say jane so ye na e sha se be 5:30 ya fra e sha se won finfin ha ya fra fire service for nyema e wo store yi mu na ye ti before so ya se ya de ye fra mu dada nya na time abo omu nya ndru ha meduma na jana ti machine nyoma ni na me ma mennioma e gu store honum ye ka ni sika anya sika ketwa store wa egu ayi na pa bo egum anya pa bo akuma nini na se
de na muton
ya tompa boy de nyanse ya no eno wo store ni na ase eno so na hia de to no ha ne de enya yi de wo soro honom na ya de gu wo se honom ni na ase
na de wa ha no ma ya gu hanum se no eno ma atwe ya ma ja sa tom no de wo soro no ma yi no eno ma sa atwe ya ma ja tom no no ma ya pia ni na ma sa ma ja tom o ma ja tom e dara wa chile na ba Machaya manjana ba bedru a
abusia sire madi ka gba mane no situation no make us 1 minute biya 10 minutes biya 5 minutes biya just 30 minutes biya na ejane kwa na ekosoro ye bo wane ese first service for car ba kwa ba nyame adom na nsuo wom omo try so madum gya no but me paka se ekon no eso kya wo mo ekon no eso kya wo ma ho oden wo ma ye dom betimi biya wo mo gusu ye dom betimi biya nanso still na no situation no wo mo ntimi fa ma fom wo mo ntimi amfa ma fom abusia ye guso aya santemantam mu na oye ne kase na ato ade hye wa ha adsam kase na ato dwadifo wa ha dodo na atomba yire mommy ma wo se wo tomba yire wa ha mommy oh minim se wani abre kafra oh mommy kafra ha abusia ade no anu aya dene dia mu hwe nyina no abusia eguso kwaso anya recorded live eguso kwaso and amane na ye bo no me ba ha be se sima be aduonu ntaba me ba ha yi na eja no na e wo side bi sei wo hwe test store na asom na wo hwe sima be aduasani a me ba ha me mu di nkomo efa eja ehu ya na eja no e wo efa sei se no eguso tre esoro ho nyina etre ko kamia ko ese fire hydrant wa santimantam ha nipa dodo na meka se ni nyina no atwa abaduru ha nansu eja no is beyond control adna no ya dene na se no empire adehie ebo ene se nyankopon tonsuo amana amade a se japade na de wo mo a atmayi wo mo ne ma na tmayi wo mo so ntimi nyi ne de wo mo egusu esu wo mo bompa se no awurade ntonsuo ba bia adura no papa de kodi wachi ba bia adura no enya asam ketua wo me kafra wate ye aso wura ho e di asama e de na to wo si de bi si da wo wi ase be wi ase kro mi wo we bi da rade wi amabo na dum je ma ya wate rade wi amabo ni ani obi rade ye asabatu ye rade asabi ya de fa ye ya sabo from fire service for the jato da kase ebu ni yes mon frère fire service for ya nyamidi samba bia mu wa bia mu meboa ya na asam na di asam bi sida mu wi amabo na meboa ya wai beto ba ya na wo me yanku da so no da me die gu o konfo so dia sika ababu se do makode ya fa yin awrade abusia Pajose. Okay, chairman. Champion. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you speak English?
Small.
Yeah. So like, how did you hear this incident? How did you hear it? What do you sell here?
Socket. Cable. Yeah.
And were you able to take one of the items or didn't take anything? Were you able to pick some?
Thank you.
Champion na go na shishi na wo ni mesu aba hey apochi aya thank you Ghana Busumi, Adom TV, that jet to young today. Yerba church one, Crow, on your brono bia, when it's in 1 bonny ye, or yen manimu. Eba Nkrana, Bronubia, what friend, a massaman, a man for one day, a massaman, the mum or ye, a massaman. Ghana Busumi, Adom TV, that jet to young today. Yerba church one, Crow, on your brono bia, when it's in 1 bonny ye, or yen manimu. Eba Nkrana, Bronubia, what friend, a massaman, a man for one day, a massaman, the mum or ye, a massaman. Ghana Busumi, Adom TV, that jet to young today. Yerba church one, Crow, on your brono bia, when it's in 1 bonny ye, or yen manimu. Eba Nkrana, Bronubia, what friend, a massaman, a man for one day, a massaman, the mum or ye, a massaman.
Ghana busumi Adom TV ya jatu yangu today ya ba chira wan nkronkro onye bronu bi a onidin won ni yei oyen manimu eba nkrana bronu bi a wo friend amasaman amanfo bonde amasaman namum oye amasaman
Esiama munya kwa babiem emfa emra bedwem so live on Adom TV. Yes, stream on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Also share live on so multi TV digi box so na DSTV more Go TV so live and so hodom. It asano pe so asaje brena oni eba betina so weba se Kumase KGT fire outbreak na so one man patch fatos na I for bo ma join FCC no mo sanhwe se eja ato Kumase KGT Adom PZ side wonum hona eja yi ato Ghana National Fire Service mpenfo akwakodu no mmomodin bia se yebetimi adum no nia yetete no enye eja na guso we live ni o show TV ni so live enya recorded we live feed ya eti transform esuon no eneja no asom no Awurade hu yamobo dwadini ba konfom sonti ne yetete no dwadini ba konfom sonti ena kofa we nyina ede aba tina no pedie so live on your TV live we see anya recorded videos we are live what is happening now to see em no ka say ne esi Kumase KGT Adom potem wo no fire service for na yade yebekọ so akada bia se ye na wodwam na eka wasem no cause wo hwe first one na issue na de che na hwe ba bia fire service for car ni si because onya kwan no de awuradwanim ene ba bia eja na toilet na homa no enru ho ene kina ma eja na tra baba soso we mu nyina no so etina nam so ya ma eja na baba so other stores na e wotire no nyina because omuntimi num jare ntem Omoya de na omoya na tin so omoya ba mon try hwe bia kofa fire tunnel free mamponten ton ka na mu sesi wono ye de ba bedum je to Kumase mamponten ka na kofa de bai ha oti ye esuo asanteman so eno no adwedfo no enka franti on say is omoya smart akọ we no ho ECG for efidio se na be ya emeso transformer nim because so transformer mu dia ekwa kofa asemfro ene de aba so to so mu jai ba bia no mudum dada na ma shops ne ye hye ko se protected transformer ya hwe na se jane to transformer ni mu a ene jana no kra ba de a chense ne omo ehunu no so fire service for amakomo ya de kudos to you areho happy birthday enko enfama Nana Efia Ampoma the second. Happy birthday to Nana Efia Ampoma the second. Nana ene wa woda nyame onhyira na onyo kese wo mo ahini ase entre na emo din kansempa oma odin ema asumdwe emra oma odin emie ye yopono fama omanfo happy birthday Nana. You wish you all the best in life. Obi also do birthday na dey bia so no. You wish you happy birthday. Then also happy birthday to the channels manager of Adom TV. PK but your picture no one for PK picture no to me. So happy birthday to PK, the channels manager of Adom TV. And when you're 22 years. So PK happy birthday. Eko for way every year wo Yena no ye adwuma management of multimedia ye nyina se show all the best nyakopo won hyiraw no nyo kese onko so ntre wakwa ba mu omo akoma so de nyina emre mu emfa ema so happy birthday once again to the channels manager of Adom TV. Then happy birthday enko efama Harriet Owusu we fru papa of akwesi wonom Harriet papa so ma happy birthday obi odi birthday bia so no. We wish you all the best. Honorable Matthew Nyindam, MP for Pandai, Atenase. Honorable Cordia.
Everybody Adom. Adi achi edie. Na me na eda na se.
Ene me ase. Esa aba hodom ebi. na me no ababedi come Honorable Matthew Nidam and I member of parliament. Constitution ye.
Well, Adom. That's why I need nke ya to yire nchen bebre ya to Kumasi foyi. Omo de eja. Yes we de. Sabio mframa.
Oh.
Na hu amanfo hu school dan na we nyina peja.
Oh, constituency.
Amanfo nya ba bi na.
Oh.
Nti obi a eje ne de.
Oh.
Kumasi fo eja hihie. Na yes Sabio unfortunately. I don't know. The rainstorm has been very bad. But quite apart from that, constituency in it's okay.
Chairman Joseph Adekoka, as well joining us here, or the former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, and my NDC Amyuku, and also in Che, or joining na Yatua Yankomodi Esum. My name Sarah Joseph. What's your interviews?
It's here.
We are happy.
Menya happy.
Ade.
Medase. Mamenchia awiefo. Na machia pandaifo. Na fe mede ya konso kese pa e de amakomasifo a. Unfortunately, sabe mpraduasa. Enne amene ukase obi awi ayaba. Sabe onya se obi wudie, but ne wiase enema nyina oboaboa ano no. Ene na wi ayaba. Eyasinsu na ayedi. Oboafo ne hwan. It's a serious incident. And at the way a journalist kono be shache because uko unimadumpa we won't say there is little fire service for betimi aye.
Okay.
Especially babia ejanaton.
Okay, whereby me share my live feed ni biem.
There is
very
little on betimi aye because area hono no kwan bia na ho.
Ya ka betimi
afa. Akọ fight fire no from a different angle. Nti atiesim. Ena hono mo no materials na e wo ho no. Eye materials a ebetimi ahye.
Ebe magana koso.
Ebe jana be koso. Ena wo gina fa ko na wo fight jana. How are you going to succeed? Nti just a lot of people
fache me wo hwe ekwan we ye kwan o say kaka no FMO. But when you be so na presence.
Obi so na presence, obi so na pray.
Oh, anka fra. To hwe sa ekwan na.
Yes.
Ye kwan ya o say kaka fam. But traders are blocking.
Oma blocking and oma say asa we oma you be come na kosi sen. Sabi obi bre. Nti sesi a wo be ka nsam foforo na akwa say o bre ne krum. But management of your settlement very poor. Wiring very poor. So many indiscipline. But this time, where it doesn't. We need to ma emanipa. Because we have to just be sympathizing with the people. Yeah. But other than that, lace and kebedi them, anka, bibi says immediately no. Say fire tender bakukra na minua. They should be able to fight the fire. But for krana bana mu nyina ntimi wura ho na mu gina fa bi fa ko. Yeah. Impact be na
be jane so.
No, a trek honum. Yeah. There is nothing they can do. And at that time, so won't mean critic kwine.
Sure.
So what will you do? Oh mami you. Oh here mami enemy so wo mo si fa sika bra na je wo mami a wo so sika bi anywhere wo de ko. Enyo wo na obi wo. Ene ne sabe nema yi a ekoso. But I think that mama nyina mfa mpa bonya de enter omachi. Yeah. Sara Adwa Safo. Ono say Mrs. Tana no.
Oh, okay.
Madam for me. 7th Parliament. Na nyina na leaders. Yeah. Na ono ye deputy majority leader. Ena na me ye deputy majority we. Timi ni majua pa. Me tie ni interviews. Badwa san ya me ya. Eme ya bebre. Minim ni ekoso adwa brebo. I'm seriously hurt by it. Me na me kankan nema bia esi wadwa brebo mu a. I don't know how to, because she was one of the promising ladies in NPP. young ladies in the party, very promising. But unfortunately, from 8th Parliament, Nema Asisi Ewa Ajua Kwam. Meaning, so be na no. So no answer na no. I just cannot understand. Among the goodwill, any sympathy, Sabio, the future of Ajuano is becoming narrower and narrower and narrower. Timesrene Papa Sabe, who because we catch interview also no who and obviously spiritual, there is a spiritual world.
Yeah.
Obiani obetimi aka say who anyhow. We any paidie. The spiritual world is there. Timesrene Papa say, nkomo intensify mpabo mu pa empaibo sabe emajua. I think that there's something basically wrong with her. One, wakasa bebre. But ope obia also sabe what benefited from this party. Ajua is one of them. At her age, on your opportunity, echo parliament. At her age, Ajua age, or the contest former speaker, Makakwea. And you'll be unable to answer opportunity.
I think 27 years.
At that age, but now here, Sako cry professor. Na party atimi ama akwan na watimi akontest papa yi na sabe nyame ayo adom na delegates atimi ditumi amaw na wabegina party na nan na wabe MP no a great opportunity for you and ade ba ko na na okasa say she's the first deputy woman in parliament as the majority side.
Yeah,
it's a plus. But unim say enu achi and see that Ajua is the first person who has been a deputy majority leader and at the same time a minister of procurement.
Okay.
That's never happened. Tell me now, after leadership, there we a leader.
Yeah.
You're more ministerial
position.
But no, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo for some reasons, as at the ministerial position you're there, they can't. Among for bebre some kind. People were not happy, but eventually, she became a minister. It is an advantage. It is a plus. That doesn't mean that you want me anye. What me ye? And watch, you winning 2020. She was given a cabinet position. Her ministerial appointment was a cabinet one. Me catch your boss, Massa. When you say sa position, no, I just started saying you have problems. No, sa position, no, president the position to her for almost 1 year.
Yeah.
And also by some man Nana Akufo-Addo. Among for can people were not too happy. But it shows how the party also values you. It shows how Nanado also values because you be must cry the because here obra the way we suffer, some of us suffer to be able to win our seats. Na yebeba na yebeti ni ekosu ya na
maybe it's also not because not president in Babia, not the general public aware of. Because the person man penny big just say my creative ministerial position they are more.
And yet just a small ministerial position. For almost 1 year.
Now man penny still
left the position for. Left the position for.
Maybe the president knew something and they are aware of.
You see, Sabin Preduasa. Share the role of Ajua father, the commitment, the support, and the class or the party now. I think that president wanted to just show that kind of love for the family.
Not because of maybe what she was going through.
Maybe to that extent too, because Sabio, Ebisu or just like you said, or how. Or how no woman, maybe president didn't want to compound it. Say be a woman what is so you more you were maybe ama na how na be there. Akwekese. And the president decided that he wouldn't do that. Okay. But at the end of the day, the president be no me no. Yeah. But this is what he's been able to do for Ajua. Yeah. Inti sende sabi babi so ho na anya woda. why will you come to the public and then moving from one radio station, one TV, and saying all manner of things? Nti saka sana oguso a woka no. E dey na emfaso be no benya afi.
Or say at least a bit me asisa pepa edin say ne kakra fra manfort because at one point kwano pay nim so no OPK right abi awaya price MP.
Menya hu.
Okay. Now what can say? Some of them your mobashi adwa den. Now they were not privy to information and adwa dey men. So he wants to apologize to Adwa Safo. Maybe sanka Adwa me chire mu ne ya. E ka sa apology no e bi kwa nanka aba. Nipa ebre age ensem mu akọ uti Adwa Safo a o say get to a tamasa na party na shade etweska to the ama some party members. Ye dey chine radio station to radio station. Na ipa ba akọ. Obeti MP we kasawa, party member we kasawa, ne nyina ba Adwa Safo ba na Adwa. When the party itself at the national headquarters, the reason behind here, Adwa Safo is incapacitated. Party penny be to me and my bonti America say, bashing Adwa at this time, no, you're wrong. Because ye at the hierarchy, ye him say A, B, C, D, and K, our Adwa side. We are finding a way to deal with it. Party ye dima when they be trying to throw their famu a common seminar. Now, didn't say another also. She feels only come up for. Sending ya mia buano at mia manema to me the amana. Or much training sim. And it's okay difficult on a
When you say, as and before say, Yasam Nina, or before Kuran, Okuno, and Obefia, Oka.
And it's the man the last of a phone of Kuyan.
Savam. Good.
Because no di can't coin.
And send me wa, Minia, and send me wa, me knew me. Me knew me. Sansam never way on what need your cool. Yanka emobinte. And some be so a wa, Yabeka emobi day. Ati. Sabe, unu yeri tiwi. Asambi wa wari ni mua. Down about be pajana no be kasa asam no. Na wari go eden. Eba. Nti nyansam nyina na eden. Ka ho asam.
But what about thing you see?
Look, a na party mpanyefo no no munim a omanka. Ntam ka say this ministry no. They left it for her for almost 1 year.
But was the party hierarchy happy with?
Why will you be happy?
The demonization of Adwa
Safo. But you see, I don't want it. Adwa is my. It's me ya mano, because sabi mpenyufo say offense you. No ane there. Na adwe. Nsama wo kan nyina yi. Daache. Ebe kwatia no. Nsama Adwa kan ne oguso a wo kan. Daache. Sansan ya besimi akwatia.
It you the nka emfa oni din say amanfo ase nka wonye.
Nye se onye din.
Okay.
Babia asambia ni babia yeka no. Tinabusa say from TV station to radio station enti one day na mo betimi aya abo an. What can you do to help?
Maybe
send so person osadbedi MP a. E yo ni Dome Kwabenya fo asem.
Yeah.
Say me lose election 2020.
Yeah.
Kwanya me fa so lose ye me na minim. Kwanya me fa so enwini nne no me na minim. Because me nsu enkwachiro bia na wasere me. Me nkwaka nchiro bia na daache wode yakase because who say African ana bibini na niaji bebre na nyanko ho ayede na nyanko ho akere. Nti me adwo I won't vent my anger this way. Mefa kwan bi so na masa Dome Kwabenya omo eneto abama awo omo so neto abati awo nti say na obetimi aba parliament Dome fo na edoba Dome Kwabenya fo na edoba
but obiti bono
yes
ati ensemu a MPP gina radio bi so gina TV so be kanti ade
yes
ona bon ko Dome Kwabenya no nchirem se Dome Kwabenya fo na nka omo nko atrim na no ote bono no ote asantiment no ote western ya wote se ye ka se ye kokuru sika from chief of staff office
yes
ekoma Adwa Safo
yes
wa bra party penfo ni pefe pa say confirm from chief of staff then mama famous party can difficult but party pen be ntimi an confirm from famous opare whether say no kra na say no kra to diffuse some information na ko no party fo bi fo ebufu because you see atem sika dem Adwa Safo but still Adwa Safo so ma parliament party fo bi ati say Adwa Safo na to abaditi a professor Michael Kwei me ma ejomobuafu but Adwa Safo man to abaditi professor Michael Kwei. But for some reason, was any papenti or ye di and she face say, ye didn't say no. A quite chirache. So Becca Nassama for Beji the craft for 1 year, so I almost was it. But so Becca James 7 I'm 2 about it here. obi na Abraham anto abentia no ose ne ono abstain e was ye levy ose ne me ye meka ye levy na menfo so obi ano wo part ni mi in parliament at that time menim say na ya we a ose o kan no ose mfa so but Michael Kwe wa anto abentia no but enya MPs bi omode adwo asafo nam say adwo to abediti a Michael Kwe eti adwo ka omi ma MPP huna mane in the parliament na 8th parliament no mu hu ye
Wonim ni padodo a omo accuse omo se omo antro aba ma makekwe wonim omo dodo
ye ti se tu ba adwo ase ebro tu
wotimi bo omudi
wa mo se no se omo side
wonim ni pa no
oso onim nkrofo a omo antro aba ma
adan na wa mo
ose no mpese
ese obo sa nkure na woka
boss oso mpese obo
no sa woka no kure
oso mpese obo
enti ye bede ehun se nyono a
yes
ye bede ehun se nyono adwa
aso no yi no won se obi
wa na say wo na omo accuse you
yeah
e na wonim se nya wo a wonim ne wa ya sa de no eno ansem omo se me enya me ye wei
pese ne bi no na na
sa woka no kure it is time for you to say the truth
it no san you
just who sign we won sign it you
okay
it is easier for you to say enya me a
okay
now because wonim omo aye dia na wa ma omu dia what shows that you are exonerated then I just say what fan word
so no nyo no
me nka say yo no a sabe me 8th parliament that bia meka me nya kwanya mbetra meka 8th parliament
yeah
the indiscipline in the 8th parliament was just too much
okay
omu nyina na amanfo bebre wo me ne omu share parliament I blame all of them me blame baako enya baako because mu ye nipa 137 we mu ye 137 independent candidate nko a ene ka ho na ma be ye 138 na MP so sabe enya obi a want politics ase MP amanfo thousands of people ato abama one over baby MP and you know the importance of a speaker on the floor of parliament mu nyina munim na sabe pride biasa boni ben pa na his excellency Nana Adom Kwabenya aye boni ben pa so why boni kura na sabe party ne nya Nana Kwabenya dia e na me nya me dia e nyina ye dia nti so di obi ba na se wo mpeni pa na wono na adwe no constitution na man kwan se won fa na mra you know the consequences so won to abama na mo akoto aba na sabe ni asi people who point fingers sabe we be kasi because Dome Kwabenya seat no sabe o hwe nsama ewo Kwe family any a friend say Safo family that kind of rivalry na ewo ho no it is easy for somebody to say ebi adwana anto okay and very easy but for all you know otoye amana sa nkobi an point say we are yes there are other names amanfo are spread across until for you to say what beto one to further speculation leave it for you and your God for you to say mama beto deny den and sita comfortably adwa winning is seat Dome Kwabenya comfortably and next seat no as a free answer ako your friends and this for instance adwa
for the first time
for the first time and then adwa peu on make say she's part of the reason why we lost Dome Kwabenya yes ebi anasa be wono so wanya hwe o but in politics you know your actions your actions speaks louder than words
yeah
for all you know adwo anya hwe wanya boni bia one campaign antia your friend say Makekwe Junior but enam say ebia why dormant in the constituency enam say why na adwen say me nya bibia emfa Dome Kwabenya ho e more dangerous because people will look at your actions and interpret your actions to mean say you are supporting NDC
candidate
because in politics there are so many ways you can win your votes
yeah
there are so many ways you can win your votes
I will say onye popular Dome Kwabenya afobi onye popular dey
oko primaries na ulu so onye popular
was sana
that is the meaning sana politics in it
it was one kwade nye was Michael Kwe Junior
yes
e dey nam say onye popular constituency one
yes
so she's asking say me popular there how will my own popularity
yes
ebetimi aboa mo win the election
until me can say primaries na econ
yeah unya lose the na say
now we are popular and one winning
there be on
yes that's politics for you
maybe the interpretation e be enya na ye
yeah exactly
because for example we enya 0
yes
okay
yes
e be a wunya 1200 and obi nya 1,201.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
By majority decision,
Yes.
you know, Nipo nya 1,201 na win.
Yes.
Are we saying say because we be nya 1,201 now nya 1,200 no, onya popular na. You have about 1,200 people believing in you.
Yes. That's right.
So it should be draw conclusion say
Yes.
because it's part of our politics.
Yeah.
Uluza onya popular there.
Yes.
Then that is where you create the disaffection.
Yes.
And you am quote number be
That is the unfortunate thing about politics. Man can say me to move.
Yeah.
Look, me call Pandai. I won this seat for the first time, 2012.
Okay.
So that seat, it was in the hands of the NDs for 20 years. And I win it 2012, and I win it 2016, and I lose 2020. What do you say, Mama, for Kafa me? Me, NPP winning order. Omu winning order. Me na me winning that seat 2 consecutive times. And I maybe lose 2020.
Okay.
What do you say, Mama, for Kafa me? And this is Dome Kwabenya seat no. Me winning seat no. Not president I lose over 8,000 votes. Me 2012 I won the seat in Pandai.
Yeah.
John Mahama, His Excellency, beat Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo by 8,500 votes.
By una winning.
Me na me winning here. 2016, me winning seat no. John Mahama beat Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo by 5,000. But me winning here. 2020, and I me lose here by 2,072.
Still, John Mahama
beat Nana Akufo-Addo by 6,000. What do you say, Mama Kafa?
And I sabe we need 2024.
And I sabe we need 2024. So it is about the people.
As you see, so it means say pe on crowd you know. And if you see that narrative, they say uluza onye popular because what call and wasaba. Saman for them point can
come on for me, ma. It is up to Adwoa to prove to the people that we are popular. And Adwoa is capable of winning back Dome Kwabenya seats, but not this way.
So Saba.
The way I kono, that's not the way to go. Say no beko dia emwa. Say pa no de beko dia emwa. Nti me no na mesre Adwoa ne say me. So we are so interested in doing politics again.
Okay.
Mesre no she should tone down. Okay. Look, nyansam nyina na ye nyina se ye kwa akotena se na aka ya nsam a e stations so a there won't be NPP again.
Oh, okay.
It's the same way na NDC for NDC omo crisis and now be antimi nkasa because they are in government. They had their time. They had problems. Kwasibochwe and all those, and they did their report. They managed to control people. And you baby no betumi agina wona waka wonsem. So we are sad there. Obviously. Then what the rules of the game, the constitution now you draw as a party. No? Then what are we talking about?
And of course, disciplinary committee.
Disciplinary committee really doesn't mean say. I also heard her. Well, time I'm inviting somebody. You see some of the things that she was saying. And moi, look, they can refer you to disciplinary committee to listen to your views, advise you. It's not and yes, but omo person mu how.
Okay.
Obetumi aduru ha mama tofo. Obetumi ati what oh, nye ni say. But answers now what the man e kura no. Tell me fool say the Adwoa I know is not the Adwoa that.
Do you think that the party should take interest in dealing with this Safo and Okwe family in Dome Kwabenya?
Well, yes, in the first place, Sabi Asamba ewa abusia mu a abusia na esemo ya dan. Mo kan wasa. Asem bi so o ho a ebia na enye politics a asem. Say your politics won kon asem dia, I strongly believe say the party should do something about it. And na me can me Adwoa. She's one of the promising ladies in NPP. Okay. But the way I okono.
But I say, Honorable Matthew Nyinda, Member of Parliament, Madisha Pandai constituency, Chairman General Joseph Adi Koka. Chairman.
I know Saji for
Chairman.
And this year.
Chairman Bakodia.
Today, Yaminado.
And this muye.
Oh.
Abemode. Power Street.
You are no that be that.
Okay.
You are resetting the country.
More resetting.
Resetting.
Eda so nam pain.
Na why wouldn't
ye mumie ye kuro no.
I was say chin ewu na enjoyment. Na enjoyment.
4 years here.
The 4 years you say one day is a long time in politics.
Oh, okay. Chairman Joseph Adikoka. Greater kindness what to say. Now, as a still way MMDC is at you.
I have a more national vetting. About why in the years so I walk off uncle for a month to me age man. When I say a Omamintia on a washer and a pay in a Munia.
Shaman.
That's the one poor man. Fine. The Nancy and the Ukrua and the pay we bid now. So I'm told Obuna in the so the politics, that's where it starts from. The grassroots.
Sure.
Unit committee, MMDCs, then MPs, and then the top. And if you don't get the base right, I hope by end of March, by April, they will all be in position. I'm saying I confirm a few of them, but an announcement has not been made.
What's your address for some?
Oh, I am in Yonkupao, my very good friend. Also, because I was regional chairman, I encountered several occasions. Sometimes I could fight. Sometimes on a friendly mission. The first interview on this issue, meaning Asempa. That's where all the matter started. But at the Utiena summer or a year ago, say the way NPP for Mutritino, after they thought she was the one who voted for Badwam. The problem all started from that period. Is it 8th Parliament?
Yes. And that's 8th Parliament.
8th Parliament.
That's the 9th into
8th night. Obia suspicion. I say Asafu. Until Emma, previous she was the deputy in the 7th Parliament.
Yes, deputy majority leader.
Majority leader. By 8 no, because of this kind of.
No, if she became a minister.
She became a minister.
Yes. That was when they didn't call gender.
That's what became a minister, gender minister. And subsequently, no. Or say you're relegated to backbench. You see, anytime there's a defeat in politics, that is where you see the kind of worms about out. Say victory bar.
Yeah.
Inyama obia catastrophe. Obia person can because of position. Okay, see. Na
position about.
Position about to be a come. But defeat the Bape. That is where you see the other side of the coin. And that's exactly what we are seeing. And if MPP or one take care, other people they have the same grievances. For instance, there are 88 members now. 88 or 180 members. No.
I'm sorry against
Kenofrata.
Or is it
80 something.
80. I think there were 80 ministers or something.
Eugene Wachi was my very good friend. You realize what he started saying. Said a gang against him. Most of them, sir, Amulidano, MP,
and the
appear could be. You realize after the elections, if you were watching him on television, he was throwing some salvos. I'm just or say Adrian Abuche. You boy Pandora box now. And you're out, more than Adwasafu. And sometimes, for healing processes, it's very necessary that you let the people vent their spleen. It happened to us when we lost 2016. I mean, a lot of things came out, a lot. And some of them, we couldn't make them public. So it helped party from doing certain things that we did not do when we were in 2012. It's a very important. I mean, hauling her to the disciplinary committee is premature. He's just talking about it.
Because a bit so a message or the amount of make sure I say when President Kufuor we need 2000 elections to heal Ghana from the year one of war against the Rollins, and or the reconciliation committee by to give people opportunity to voice out.
Exactly.
Yes, now abiding to be maybe because CB and fan, but so be it me voice it out. Say I'm pessimist or being tea my dear way. Why you okay?
Yeah.
So do you think say going forward no? Should the party have gone ahead and started hearing people?
So that's why they set up the Professor Okwe committee.
Okay.
I don't know their terms of reference. Okay. I don't know so far whether they've been engaging the people on the ground and MPs who have lost and all those. I don't know what they are doing. But that's the right thing to do. So you must let them. You shouldn't start cracking the whip now. Because 75 also on standing election bill. She's a papa.
Yeah.
So when she says that, she's at liberty to say anything because she's no more coming to you.
I'm saying Badwam MP. No say. It also one of down beside say. Should the party find interest in the Michael Quay and Osafo's family? There's an issue between Apostle Kojo Osafo and the Professor Michael Quay Abusia.
No. I don't think there's a family feud.
There's an issue.
Oh, but when you reduce it that level, you are missing the point.
Because Minim say a year strictly political.
Oh, it should be political.
And I say a beer a year other matters.
Oh no.
But Obio what Dome Kwabenya MP say there's a huge misunderstanding between these two families.
The problem is that the Okwe's think they owed Dome Kwabenya.
Okay.
The Adwa Safu fact, so that is my perception.
Yeah.
So they have this large church.
Yeah.
Or Kisu Asafo in that community, because I have been a regional chairman, so I know. And they win the election for NPP. That large community, church members, they go where their leadership goes. Well, so that's why there will be a tough war.
Sure.
That's why there will be a tough war. You think I'm the owner? Gashipon Gamano. What I say? Now I just have for almost 7 no about. So you that political
fusion,
it will be there, but I don't think it's family. It is politics. It is a political problem. So she's saying she also your politics bill unless his father asks her to do it. But I'm sure she's not going to come back again. Once you are out, you are out and out. Well, if they try to discipline her. Because she's saying something that you are rather deepening the wound.
Okay.
No, that's okay to her and pay. She's on one of your sister stations.
Yeah.
I think it's 8 o'clock on. She's going. You can't stop. She's an adult. With the chain based on and you can't gag her. So the mistake they made is premature. For the general secretary to refer, within 24 hours, 4 days, and got this committee.
Maybe if you almost person try sanitize system. Because now
they should wait.
They should wait. So be about so be explode.
No, they should wait for the Okwe committee report to come out. That is when we have pointed out the mistake and everybody has come to agree, say, henceforth, this is the way we are going to go. Then you can rein people in. But you haven't said anything.
So to be better said the Okwe committee will invite Sarajo Asafo.
They should invite her and ask her that exactly. Say, what has happened? What they should be. Because that should be part of the mandate of their investigation. So what you have to call her rather.
Also shooting Michael Quay.
Was
it on started from Dome Kwabenya?
Yeah, exactly.
People lose your Dome Kwabenya.
Exactly. I mean, she's right. To me, I don't see anything else. Hue and cry about this. You know, maybe let us rather cool heads must prevail, and then we try and do the back channel engagement.
Yeah.
That's how it's done. Back channel. Obama penny be our friend with Adwa. They are say okay, I somehow on economy inti. But to go public and say you are going to refer to this, you rather embolden her to say because after all, no. You can't jail her. Can you jail her? The next is what can say we need it if you party no. We need there and this way. But now too.
Imagine how hard to. What is no? They should relax and allow.
Your politics.
Allow things to. It happens in every. Look, for this year, Biden. Look at what even Biden, his own good for Obama. Mamino, my friend said, Senate leader of the House of Representatives, Mamino, friend said. Look at what they did to Biden. President, but so see. They gang against him. They wouldn't listen to him at all. People came out openly and attacked him.
So in our politics, it's party first.
You see, we have to get to a certain state in our politics. It is not everything that the party will do that will suit everybody. Naturally, there will be somebody in opposition. Yeah. When the person speaks, you don't have to take the person, no. You have to listen to the person. Well, if you don't do that, that is where you have these factions now, factions coming up and that kind of thing. When we have factions, it destroy a party.
The way they hear politics now, that is why I'm a grassroots and they are too partisan. Some NDC near BBNDC baby are okay. Some NPP near BBNPP baby are okay. So we don't have the Ghana factor in most of our discussions. It's about what my party sees is right.
You see, those were the days, communication was limited within a certain environment.
Okay.
This day with social media and all these gadgets, people outside influences, people are beginning to be discerning. I want people to be discerning.
Okay.
That the issue nearby, let's interrogate the issue.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, it is to the development of the country. And when the country is developed, you, the individual, to benefit. Oh, but if we go, that is why I'm saying, and our politics, all of us must come together for the next 2-3 years. Otherwise, if we lose this opportunity, what happened in the 4 years?
Because to be honest, a position like, with all apologies, Chief Whip, have never been in support of Chief Whip, especially a duty of whipping
everybody
caucus members to be aligned with certain position.
When it's not even palatable.
When we knew some people were even fighting against E-levy.
We forced them to go and...
We fought people to go out. No. And now E-levy, how man? Everybody in NPP seems to be saying, I'm not in support. Meanwhile, we had members of the party at that time. If you say a party position, so we didn't look at the national interest.
Yeah.
Something happened. Once the president's now okay, whether you like it or not, you need to be in support. But in the party, they lose it. OPP or party seems to distance himself from E-levy.
We have to be discerning. We have to be discerning.
Yeah, Chairman kind. Chairman, many we are, you know. Sabio Sass and the phone kind. Young candy wait here. Say, I'm grenade. Sanet here. Well, me be trying Kajuaya, Sabi NDC near the way I'm a canon. Very different. Why NPP ni, me hear me one say, met you know. Yeah. Well, gagging people there. There's no way I'll be able to me a gag will be some man and casa. Say, Sabi after elections, ni probably bring akasa.
Yeah.
General Secretary cry then. Akasa. What am I telling you? Kasa biane enho. Nso so. Adwa kasa na nso so I dey ban no. Different. Okay. Chief Whip, advanced democracies. Chief Whip. You can't take it away. People, and the party anyway. There is a philosophy. Every party has a philosophy. Nti ye nyina ya adwen ko banku mu a na echa se wo ye wo party we. Okay. Ti samene wo nya adwen e wo party ni mu a ebi wo ho a metimi aka. Ebi so a principle no there. You cannot take away from the principle. You cannot deviate away from the principle. And then yes ade anka sabi Uncle Adiko ka wo. Ofo say even the few years and a few months NDC take over. Yeah. Ofo say we need consensus. All consensus wo ho. But you cannot sit here and be talking about those concerns. That is where the whipping system can. Some parliament, and I say, we are 138, and over here 137.
Yeah.
The principle is that president Anana Adodan Akufo-Addo or party president has somebody will be back for speaker.
Yeah.
That is the principle. That is it. Principle no. So if you believe in NPP principle, set been prayed biasa. Omodi makekwe aba. Penasem no kura peno. Are you getting me? But the principle is that who no want me ko you obi ma. President Dan so you obi ba.
But honorable, you see the issue too is say.
Yes.
Say president obi ba. Not president to say. Nipa na mde na ba.
Yes.
Abedi amanfos.
Yes.
Dudu na si yempen. Still change na president person the neighbor.
Enti pedivos na no pedivos na ko nya dodo na na ese ompen no. Because votes na omoto ye no. Na ya ba 136.
O ya nkan yo.
Oh, omokan go drew baby. I think 136. No one say as a baby never been ko yi. And a day they buy. So if you say so dodo na nya dodo na in any case ministers are Nana Akufo-Addo ayi. One I catch will say
Obiano
no more pen, even including Ono Adjoano. One I catch no Obiano pen. But the principle is that it is the president who does that.
So does it mean say even if the president is doing that, that's a bokura and you so
no, because that is the principle. So until you guys obon you so, then you are making a mistake. I didn't know obon you so. When you can say when Obekwa yi ni panaba. Omodi ni panaba. Who problem? You can talk about your problem.
The opportunity to determine whether the person will be affirmed.
Yes. Or that is where the discipline has to come. And yes, idea. Look, party bia munka yenye penyini. Because obia odi ni bebe bia no, nenso e wono so. Obia odi ni bebe bia, nenso e wono so. But nam say yentimi nya perfect society ntino. Edruba bia, you bury your ego. Me na me need parliament hono.
Yeah.
Me your parliament no hono mo a. Meka say ebia.
Okay.
I would not prefer Makokwe. Okay. But the president then badia. I have no choice. Because Metwamano. Because president ne din aba. And ne omode ma bagwe. And yes sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Ghanaian. He's been in parliament for so many years. He's led the 8th parliament for that period. In two park actually me say the way a bagwe here in the business. Na you better than Kwe if you had gotten that.
If he can be saying this for you, you're happy with Babin.
Mutaka oya King Kong What happened? What happened between Ono and the Bagwin? Even on the floor when crowd some you and your damn assem. What happened? In the actual say nipa bia won na so. Even at that time no. Makokwe na gina ho. Na Bagwin gina na also mutaka to aba. Nkotu makwe.
Yeah.
Because Oka say he think that the way Nakwe managing house and better than what Bagwin was doing.
Yeah.
That tells you that Obia would never be no. Now answer there. But put that one aside. Or no, I've say one to abantia Makokwe. So let's assume say what man. But another American say. And now say in some kitten na or more backyard no. Because I don't contested by Makokwe.
Yeah.
At her teen, at her younger age, or contesting no. At the end of the day, only take over from Makokwe. Nti san neman kitten na there. Nti so what to abano mo say obi anto amma Makokwe, you be the first suspect.
Yeah.
And then chance one away. You will be the first suspect.
And so be about volunteer because I'm not first suspect here. I should also be the same person to come out and say Nyamia.
And then they don't back. Man can say you know, but still I want to make an and disciplinary measures here. I think say when
disciplinary committee.
This is nearby committee and refer here. Like I said, Nentia almost refer to the disciplinary committee. When they started, the letter came out. General Secretary, Eka said everybody should cease fire on these matters.
Yeah.
And no sa bar back. And flat is our orders. I think that is where the referral,
the book contention,
buy. But Namaka said she's not going there for somebody to sanction her or to do what or do what. An opportunity has been created for everybody in NPP to go and vent your anger at the committee level.
Okay.
Opportunity no war. Look, former MP's platform, me also.
Do you think Sarah Joseph believe a committee chaired by Michael Quinn?
That's why I'm saying that. It is not about your belief. To make Makekwe now, Muko choose. That day, I went to NEC a bit late.
Okay.
At the end of the day, that is the committee. That is the names came. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
NEC has agreed, say, he should chair that committee.
Okay.
I don't think Abubakar won't believe it. It's not one man's committee. That even gives you opportunity to deal with him.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, because I'm the chairman of the committee.
When I said, no, could be a moment to me. I can't.
Other persons, what stops you?
Mate, my boys need to kind of pay.
Aye, over the day. Sabe, I was also not tough for ma.
I will be able to live from Kumasi, Asante Mountain.
And I'm no so.
And then I mean, we. That's by Indiana.
I see.
Hey! Maybe you don't know. These are live videos from Kumasi. Eja to a year Kumasi Kenya and pay no.
It's not easy, crap.
I love see a bomania Eja to Kumasi Kenya and low. It didn't see a live videos and you recorded.
Still.
So far I tell about me pen or no.
I was it for?
4 years, but baby a jail, whatever be a kind of I find the actual horse in one, maybe a case. The actual horse in one, the apple. It's a jano.
How can you?
And she or Honum.
Planning committee.
Yeah.
The way you plan.
You're planning yet. You're planning yet. You're planning yet. Say on the betting. On what betting is that decision? I'm supposed to say that to a betting. No betting. Some you will be between Vanda Okovanda Point, Yabuatin Jan. When you are watching your catch go Vanda Point, so unim ko first win election in our pump circle for.
Enti omuja. Obi asi. Consider because
o party organizer na catch go pending go for apom we. E vote na wo pam free party bu no. Enti ye jan
organizer brother den go for. O si na why na boy se ku. And no one fan now.
No. Because hydrant in Ejuma. When was the last time we check a hydrant or area? You see, there people wonder, oh, can't.
OBSC company, and yes, if hydrant, so
and then access to the market. Access to the market.
And now we just talk cantamanting. Fire tenders and then war and cranium say 14 as I say. It moved 13 and you assume the call. Do you know why? Your fire hydrant war, tantamount to your block, yes, see shops, and yes, it was still a kubun so near the back. 13 and the call tantamount to see me on 50 stardom. It just our top of can one.
So
sometimes we are quick to blame the fire service, but everybody are. Who should never know the way I hear planning, they disable them.
Crown of see the traffic, not some more boy, it's because of the
oh, man, meanwhile, is it? You're super, you know,
other countries, some markets, the world we see market, access, BBI, access, everything.
BBS, a cabinet meal,
sometimes, if you know, almost your normal crown bar, or some much more coin style, and some of them. I mean, why is it?
Look, for whatever reason, or more before you say Jack.
Almost.
Mimi dear, me come YouTube send them way na nkeye. Mummie moe. Someone amoya ma de. Nti ka mummie mo in such a way say.
Also be anya ba bitina.
Bon, mummie mo amonya de no mo space nya de. In case of
material na material am I hoshe no. They go is the same.
And German, you see, look, naked wires. Omode wire no. Naked wires.
Your politics no.
Oh, maybe I was a politics. Any politics.
Honorable. The thing is supposed to be a decision. I was say nipa ye nesi mention nano. Ye nesi man tam nano should take and show. See, na okuva na po ayen. Ni okuva na po ayen. For example, Medina di. You see foot bridge. We are man for koye demonstration. Man nipa pre-plan. Who say na nkofo use foot bridge?
Say that.
Omu cross the street no.
The same street na near cross na carbon crofo ye koye demonstration she ties okwan mu no. Ye jama is amanfo na eton niema of bridge so.
Omo fa ho. Na woni wo ko dey asam na obeka.
E te hwan be.
So mo nto abam.
And then my MC being called a CSA or call a pamo.
Someone to Abama.
If to Abama, a politician be slow because send this swap away. NPP at their politics. Also about pamo, also about pamo. But the reality no one no. I mean Jessica, empty Sika, another draw, but no POB say 1,000 cities. Member, what we graduate and say because live runner will be you win a to me as a chat to dial star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. One I will okay 0557 062 dash 0557 062 dash. Why not every near? Your friends see and Miss Annie said, and sack and 1,000 Ghana cedis now. Sasika we know, and Jessica, yeah, this maca. We need ya within 1 to 2 minutes now on ya, our mobile money wallet. So we need ya near credit account with 1,000 Ghana cedis. Eric say, do I'm a first one, the Pakra winning put to winning at the court. The second one, Obiasa, but my number be Sarah. Every partner will win 0557. On every part, I want to tell them to be Kasana Mako a break no Abba CM. Na who say Abba, we really a fat at the amount and a pay 1 sack and 1,000 Ghana cedis. And it was about me so extra say, Pessimison we had another live draw and so abroad. Dial star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Never chat do be a peso chabia. Which could be a 5 Ghana cedis. But could be a chabiano. A 5 Ghana cedis. Chadudo be a pebia. Chagum sa, chagum. Sada efa a compassion. Yano, one swana. Okay, nya dia mame enam ho emra ba. Me trust me to be yen power man so na it me eno di enko. Be dwem sudie. Dr. Frank Amwakohine akwakodru. Kejeti ba bia eja no e hye no. So we will try say be engage no honum na yahwe enhye a also edigu akwam. So that's the regional minister and any entourage and also but that's Dr. Frank Amwakohine. Always apt. Obojuma, the youngest minister of our time from my hometown, Asante Mampong. Dr. Frank Amwakohine. Obreno Huase, tie nipa. Tu ana mo ebetimi aboa amanipa. Oye action guy. So onim na nanim no. Oye action guy even from his days in schools. Your person oye no. Yeah, positive no. Obeye amnesty. So the regional minister it's not short. And I want to do baby a Kumasi KJT Jano Atono. And I know say the challenge you know one more to me I'm a deal with. And I think one of them I'm can was me. A quiet better because maybe a other washer, maybe a regional minister number in a quiet demo. But a 24 as when you have it kai a quack also kite me from a coach liberty. But I do want to mean alpha. So I believe Dr. Frank Amakohine will do the right thing to ensure that as I went to myself for the Tumapa Eddie. Efra. So, honorable Yinda, Mr. Joseph for the area, but so you aware, the minister say out of the 9 forest sites now, Galamsey for your multi I rescue 7.
Well, me Tessa, you know, he was in the floor yesterday.
Yeah. And I think to top up, Erastus Asare, one of the journalists who has been at the forefront in the fight against Galamsey. ABC minister, so with me, let's say the forest, no, at the American. And Forest Commission for issue statement. But moment to me, I'm more forest, no more to me. But you have regional minister, and then some 4 ADM come on, ever near S near Konyo.
Yes, answer what you said.
They have to go back because of how severe it is at the back end. It makes it difficult for him to go there because the fire is still on, very severe. The smoke so serious that he cannot get there. The first part of the building that got affected by the fire is a little bit resolved or solved, but the back end is where the situation seems worse. The traders are angry. They are counting their losses.
and they are trying to salvage some of their goods. That's a trader there. Dr. Frank Amoakohene very well worried about the situation.
They did well, but now
so he's telling them to control the crowd. The Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, live on Joy News, in here to look at the gravity of the situation at the KJTR market.
Nanka Dr. Frank Amoakohene eko abiakaba seneja no ehyiba no okone ni mu enye to so mo sa omachi na fire service for no etimi edum ejam ko no sana na enwia ne bo ama ne bo no eja na egusua na ehyiba timpen for because obo ben won bo enye ti no se omo sa ba omachi na eja oma fire service for ntimi yo madwuma etimi edum eja no ekura. So another live draw say ba wa kwemu sika another live draw but because they check star 281 star hash star 281 hash no select option 4 now they try and the another draw asa to ja near on the where we need.
Yes, now we can forest.
Yeah, forest commission issue statement.
By such statement, I want to me am about.
More forest now. Forest yeah.
Me Galamsey fight in India. There be a yabaha. Akwanya ba ye kan wasam. A fighter. Amabua. He should sit up.
Okay.
Miss Serena, the last time about farm catcher say, 1, he should not fight it from a partisan level.
Okay.
2, he should not fight it from a propaganda level. Okay. Because I didn't know a cost. And I is Kassam ne ekan. His Kassam. Omo yes Galamsey we no. Me catcher say, Omo ankasa party nankasa nim. Sabi sika efrimu eba. Both NPP and NDC. And a bass hambre we are. Omo memo of sa or how no a wa uncronful. And this one fa the spirit of patriotism. I'm fighting Galamsey we are. Yabek can sama enkosi. Yes, I'm happy. Omo de sa airline now.
Yeah.
I granted president opportunity say wait me ama lances no. Omo de aba parliament. But for some reasons, you know, ye fool say it should go through pre-laying before the floor. Because with the pre-laying, no, committee no be nya ho kwan. Na nema bia emfata na ewu mu no. Omo yi ni nyina eden.
Okay.
Afim na afi omo abele do.
Sana ba for discussion.
Yes, na lay proper.
Okay.
I think it's a good start.
Okay.
Very good start. Now, the next issue is how to make sure say operation on the ground is really halted. It's not an easy task. The you should not fight it from a propaganda level. It shouldn't be difficult for them to give us the names, the list of forests now. Omar Rescue. It shouldn't be difficult. We coded information. But okay, say Omar say no, say Fabra na you give room for people to speculate.
Okay.
Speculation so ba mu pe na we nyina no na aba be den. Galamsey fight there dem papa because I have womb chairman for womb MP for womb HS obia
chairman be okoji sika bi free be buy
womb wonu say so utua na campaign so ayeye no so no ye promise o mo say ye ba mo be ye adwuma
enu so womb
den it is I find say anasin entintan na mo ka
anasin entintan
awurawura mu den
Yeah. Anansia. Galamsey asemi there. Me there. Me say stage aye do no. The best thing, all of us as a people, yajin to me say for the next 2 years, no, you are banning small scale farmers, small scale mining.
Oh yes, I'm banning small scale mining for 2 years.
Uti.
Okay, maminti.
Yeah. Me sa principles statement here. Tamagalam say Shas America. You see, we have to come back to basics. First and foremost, how many excavators near Ghana?
Okay. Or say what's our record?
Say our record. Sir excavators, how many of them are doing road construction? Okay. How many of them are doing mining? And where is their location? Okay. Number one. Number two, who are the people financing this Galamsey thing? Because boys now, Omoko Pit, they don't have the money to go. They don't have the meter.
Over $100,000.
They don't have it. You have to identify them. Okay. When you have identified them, they know that these boys, they are looking for employment. Their job is looking for employment. Okay. So what do? We find alternative means of employment for them. You go to all the mining places here. Let's take Western region and Western North. We've got Bonsa Tire Factory there. Yeah. Egu. You have Aboso Glass Factory. Ebu. You have bauxite enclaves. Egu. These people want jobs to do. So if you go to the mine, Okotu, Galamsey, at the end of the month, I know you personally. I know you. Okay. They still get 2,000 Ghana cedis. Okay. So you create employment and double them.
Hey, Chama, I want to cash you more.
Nipa all tunu na American.
Me a voice no, omunya cash o.
Omam come from. Omunya cash.
Omunya cash o, Chama.
Look,
cash you pa.
No.
No, I agree with your principle.
No.
I agree with your principle.
If you are going to build based on what you are saying, baby, we have to import water.
No, I agree with you. Yeah. No, Chama, for the way you are laying your argument, I'm with you. I'm with you. But double 2,000.
No, we can. You see, we have to. Because Rwanda will go. They are not having this problem. Yeah. South Africa, Omutu Gold. We can do this in a structured manner.
Yeah. Zamzam how
who's it?
South Africa. Zamzam how
Zamzam in nearby.
And I'm saying.
No, Johannesburg. You are not allowed to do those kind of things. So, no way. It's structured. If they give you, there's control. And yet it's no, it's controlled. So if you want more Samsung, whatever it is now.
Can we say to ourselves, say, Galamsey in your politics?
I'm coming there. I'm saying that is what I'm saying. Maybe you don't know. If we don't come together as a people, politics, we have a very serious and debate about the way forward. Because the boys the bottom line is that the boys are looking for what? Employment. That's why they go there. That's the whole class of the matter. But gold on D. Yeah. They don't chop the gold. When they dig the gold, they give to somebody. The person who has sponsored them, the person who has bought that money, has bought that excavator. He gets them, and he gets a chunk of the money. Yes. He gets a chunk of the money. How much do they give for going down the pit? Can't we match that? So if you create a viable and sustainable industries, the enclaves I'm talking about, right? You sustain the environment.
Sure.
Oh, because before, did we ever hear about Galamsey? Take your mind back to about 15 years ago. Did you hear anything about Galamsey in this country? No, but the gold was there. But they were the Omutu. But it was not in that stage now. No, the whole place is what is degraded. Oh, so as I'm making forestry. Why did we even start giving license to people to go and mine? It is greed. So we have brought this matter on ourselves. And we have to take the decision to solve it.
But I say, Chairman Joseph Adi Koka from my last live draw now. Compared to say live draw now, Kada, never I will be on. Okay,
the structures, these wooden structures that they built on the railway, that is the major problem that is even causing the fire. You can see when we went upstairs with the minister, still the fire was still raging and there's no access. You can see that there are waters in the tenders, but how to get to the main area is the problem. So we are still working on it. the military have come and they are bringing extra people to come and help us.
What's the way forward?
The way forward is we are bringing the ministers and this is to clear all these things from here so that the fire service will get access to them. We are bringing excavators, bulldozers to come and clear the road so that the fire tenders will get access to it.
What is the anticipated time that you think can help you?
Okay. Eti asantuma tima Rosemano pay aba. Mam kwa maslipa owini sikio sikano aba. Masalo, good morning.
Morning.
Me paton sa ka 1,000 cedis no.
Mpacho me sa kapa
Nice
nyame nsia mo Adom TV.
Na ucha say?
Mpacho mi cha 45 cedis.
Okay. And they really 1,000 cedis.
Na mani na. Na mi sister ka me so 145 on the engu so na me 5 cedis to credit.
Ejuwe problem na dey kwa solve.
Wait, you may say so dum so yanti. E ja fa me fridge munti me dey go far. E ja fa me fridge to me pass no.
Fakotobi. Me da safe ye next live draw. Fe ma me draw no. Eti na e call no ma me 5 4 3 2 1 afiyam ko 0597 105 ... 0597 105 ... Ono wa wini your next and last draw for the day. It is also the kakachi we check another 3,000 and ya che edi abamo. Say yan parwa wanso amamene no ekasa sabi nsa kan sika dada. Nsa kan sika dada. So aka to say we no enye sika de ma no obi di abro. Onya ya na say usika no edemu a nesa. Once a machine be select o number no. Machine ya select o number ne pe within 1 to 2 minutes na credit to account with 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. And I'm pacho wanya. Eti yam say we should pay to na wini we say catch say me say about account 0548 976 okay the star the trust it ma me hwe nipa betimi nya nam na kasa na ya wrap up na yemko nipa watimi edi enkodem for our live draw ya e buy no also hwe na aja ye no enye emfa enko so one eba mtiko so na twa star 281 hash star 281 hash na select option 4 na etwa dodo bia opebia efa egum oda bedase oda matini ndam a member of parliament for amafo a ewo Pandai constituency so na chairman general Joseph Adekoka former Greater Courage na chairman Edma NDC amu committee they akwesi is a part of our Ghana mat ye ka say koso na efa Ghana afade di Ghana aduane okay menya kola no wa homa so na hello good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, afama.
Because
yeah, wadi, what are they called? Now, which I say, how did you?
What I say?
Send a try out the DA.
But 15 CD.
Hey, now they're the 1,000 cities. And then I said, so the Okochia fees are now.
About I go to fees,
Fakochia, and I say, Yakupo Yad by Joda ever said, yes, yeah, because they share Adom TV background.